So you're all joined for Salesforce. Any one of you, please tell me, before I start the session, I need to discuss one important point here. In your syllabus, we are going to discuss 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The second one is development. Third one is integration. Last one is administration. So 1 minute, please, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hi,
sorry,
sir.
guys. Sorry. It's an important call for
Hello.
administration.
Okay, sir.
We have something like what? Lightning. Everybody, please mute from your side, guys. Lightning and the CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. These are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus the next 3 months of time. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sai Sir, before you proceed, I had one basic query. If you permit, shall I go ahead and ask?
Cannot go ahead.
So for example, you had given the 6 modules as of now here, right? Like I'm more interested, like suppose if I want to further excel myself and like learn more of development or more in depth with development with Lightning. So in that case, will this course would be good enough, or like will I have to further look for further courses to actually
Not required.
build myself on that?
Not required. Who is this? What's your name?
Dheeraj here.
Yeah, Dheeraj. Whatever modules we are going to cover next 6 months of time, so 3 months of time, that is enough for you to crack the job. Understand? You don't need to enhance your skills. That is more than,
right.
and whatever content I'm deliver the next 3 months of time down the line, that is more than enough for you to crack the job.
Thank you.
Understand?
Yes.
And apart from these 6 modules, every day I'm going to share running notes, and also I'll give interview questions, and also we will discuss about some practice tests, and also I will share the running material, not running material, source material, and also we will discuss about the examination dumps, application dumps I'm talking. So these I'm going to provide for you guys. That is more than enough. With the help of this particular information, you can easily crack the job, Dheeraj. Clear?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for that explanation.
Thank you. Where are you from,
Sir,
Dheeraj?
I have one more doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
What about the modules you are delivering to us? So is this for fresher? Suppose someone fresher in this Salesforce. So is this good enough for this person?
Actually, this course is sufficient from fresher to 5 years experience. Understand?
Yeah.
Either a fresher, you can attend the interview, or even 5 years experience also you can put, I can attend the interview, no problem. Clear?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Gnan.
Yes,
I have a question. Will you provide us any live project, real-time project?
yeah. I will provide the project at the end of the 6 modules, but I cannot sit with you. Understand? I will guide you. That's okay.
That's fine. That's fine. But you will provide some project.
I will provide the project.
Oh. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Anything else?
Hi, will we be provided with the recorded sessions or how are
Yeah,
we going
recording
to
sessions
review?
also we will provide every day. Sorry.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, myself Subhashish Roy.
Yeah, Subhash, tell me.
I'm already in job. I'm posted as a system analyst in BITS, in Birla
Oh.
Institute of Technology.
Great, good.
And joining of this class or this course is only to get some ideas.
Okay.
I have a background of Oracle and PLSQL.
Oh, great. Okay.
Okay. Basically triggers and OOPS concept in DBMS.
Yeah.
Whether it will be convenient to learn this Salesforce.
Yeah. Actually, 7 years back, actually, I was into Salesforce last 7 years. Before 7 years, I was into Oracle side only.
Power BI.
I was into Oracle side.
Okay.
SQL and PLSQL.
Okay.
Almost
Thanks.
10 years I was into Oracle side, SQL, PLSQL developer.
So
actually, that knowledge really added advantage for me to understand what Salesforce is.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Understand?
Because
so I hope it's beneficial for you because you already have the knowledge on PLSQL programming. So undoubtedly, you can easily understand. Very simple point for your understanding purpose. Database point of view, we can call it as a table. Yes or no? Okay. But in Salesforce point of view, we can call it as S object.
Okay.
So there is much similarity between what Oracle database and what do you call Salesforce. So the people who already have the knowledge on Oracle or Java or some other language, you can easily understand. You can easily cope up with this technology. Understand?
I'm used to with Python. Some.
Okay,
Java.
you already have the knowledge in Python. I hope you know about OOPS concept also. Sir, no?
Okay.
So that is definitely added advantage for you to understand the subject.
Okay.
No doubt.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. One more question.
So let me start the class, boss.
Yeah, one more doubt, sir. What is the prerequisite for this entire
First of all, let me clear. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge to understand Salesforce. First of all,
okay.
I'm requesting all of you. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge. I'm going to start from basics. Even a layman also can easily understand my session. Understand?
Excuse me, this is Sriram, this side.
Yeah, Sriram, go ahead.
A question regarding the hardware requirements. What do we need? Like, is a basic laptop enough or?
Basic laptop is enough, but make sure that internet speed is should good. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Hello.
Internet speed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Sabhi
Yeah,
Sir
good
this
evening.
side, sir.
Yeah.
Sabhi Sir. Sir, actually, I want to know about is there any framework which is available for Salesforce
Not
or
required. Not required. Not required. It
not
required.
required?
Not required.
And I am from also sir Java background. Can I cope up it as
Easily,
Salesforce?
very easily can understand.
Okay, sir.
As
Thank you, sir.
Hey, let us start the class. Let us start the session. Already half an hour completed.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, will you teach the Apex language?
Yeah. Development, we are going to discuss about Apex only.
So all the things that are required for the development, that teach by you, right?
Yeah.
And the classes for daily basis or weekend batch?
Daily basis only. Every day 1 hour session, 8 to 9.
At PM, right? At night, na sir?
8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Is Apex do it in SFC?
So let us start the session. Let us start the class.
Sure, sir. Please start.
Thank you. Everybody, please mute from your side, except Dheeraj. The rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Dheeraj, you can talk with me. Dheeraj, are you there in the class? Dheeraj.
Yeah, I'm with you. Sorry, it took some time in order to unmute myself.
Yeah. Let me start the session. Except Dheeraj, rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Please mute from your side, okay? Dheeraj, I'm asking a simple question here. What is Salesforce? What do you think about Salesforce?
With my basic understanding about Salesforce is basically a CRM tool, which is more of like customization version of inbuilt software, inbuilt programmable software, based on which like customers' need can be fulfilled, or the business scope can be fulfilled.
Okay. So ultimately, what is said is basically Salesforce is a CRM tool. Right?
Yes, it's a CRM tool.
Okay. So I will make you to tell the answer what is Salesforce means. So before that, let me write some names on the screen here. Everybody, please observe carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle. I wrote some names on the screen. What are all these? Tell me. Dheeraj?
These are all the software companies.
Software companies. Very good. Very good. These are all software companies. Good. TCS, TTS. Now something like Capgemini.
Service-based company.
Accenture.
Service provider.
So there are so many companies in the world. What is the difference between these companies and these companies?
So the tools
Product-based and
they are the product-based companies, and
these
the
are
rest
all,
is
I can call them as product-based companies. Or the other way around, we can call them as what? Vendor companies. What is this?
Vendor
and whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro, these are all belongs to what? Service-based companies or development companies. So there are two different types of companies in IT market. In IT industry, we have two types of companies. First one is called product-based companies or vendor companies. Second one is called service-based companies or development companies. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle, all these companies are comes under what? Product-based companies. And whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, these are all service-based companies. What is the difference between these two companies is product-based companies are those companies, they will develop software products like operating systems, some programming languages, some databases, like some packages, technologies. Everybody please mute. Some technologies, some applications. These are all comes under what? Software products. All these software products are developed by product-based companies or vendor companies. Suppose take the example of operating system. Very well-known operating system in the market, that is Windows. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. Like that, IBM company developed one of the database product. Database product name is called DB2, Database 2. It is developed by vendor company called IBM. Like that, Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is an application which is developed by Google company. Like that, SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. It stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. The proprietary language of Salesforce companies, sorry, SAP company. The programming language just like Java. Like that, Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called Oracle. In case of Oracle, company name and product name both are same. So according to my point, according to my explanation, what you understand is vendor companies are those companies, they developed what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, packages, technologies, applications. This all comes under what? Software products. Using these software products, the second type of companies like development companies, they will develop software applications. Using these products, development companies are developing what? Software applications. But for whom they will develop these applications? Development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of somebody else. Those people we can call them as clients. So clients are nothing but business people. They are doing business in the market. Those business people, we can technically call them as clients. There are different types of business domains in the market. There are different types of business domains or business verticals in the market, like telecom industries, like hospitals, like hotels, like automobiles, banks, insurance companies. These are different kinds of business in the market. Suppose take the example, you know about Airtel company. Airtel belongs to which company? Which business? Telecom business. Hospitals. I hope you know about Apollo hospitals, Air hospitals, KIMS hospitals. These all comes under hospital business. Like hotels, Taj group of hotels comes under hotel industry. Automobiles, like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Mahindra and Mahindra. So these people belong to what? Automobile industry. Even Tata. Banks. We have so many banks in the market. ICICI, HDFC, PI. So these all belongs to banking industry. Insurance companies like LIC, ICICI Lombard, Tata AAG. These are all comes under what? Insurance industries. Like that, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement or business people requirement. So in total IT industry, we have three important persons are there. The first person is vendor companies. The second person is service-based companies, or development companies. And the third person is clients. So the relation between all the three people is vendor companies developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. That is a simple relation between all the three people. This is how the game is rotating here. I hope all of you understand up to this. Tell me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear, sir.
Everyone understand? Okay.
Yes.
Am I going fast?
No, it's fine.
No, it's
Am I
very
going the same pace?
Okay, sir.
No.
It is okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody, please mute from your side. Everybody. So there are three important key players in IT industry. First player is vendor companies. Second person is vendor development companies. And the third one is clients. Vendor companies developing software products. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement. So if you go to any bank, if you go to any hospital, if you go to any shopping mall, if you go to any restaurant, wherever you go, they are using what? Software applications in their business. My question is, if you go 40 years back, 50 years back, do we have telecom industries in the market?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir.
Why not? We have.
Yes, BSNL.
BSNL.
Yes. And
Do we
Motorola.
have hospitals 40 years back? Yes, we have hospitals. Do we have hotels? Yes, we have hotels. Do we have automobile industries?
Yes.
Do we have banks?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have insurance companies?
Yes.
Yes. All these industries are there in the market, even 40, 50 years back also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But 40, 50 years back, if you go to any bank or any insurance company, they do not use what?
Software
Software applications in their business. Yes or no? They don't know what is software. They don't know a computer also. But they did the business without using software applications. Now they are doing the business using software applications. My question is, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of using software applications in their business? This is my question. Hope all of you understand the question clearly. What are the advantages of using software applications in their business?
Save the time.
Excellent
Saving the
answer.
time.
First advantage, it saves your time. Second advantage,
business
Bring the
automation.
automation.
yeah, I will tell you the advantages. Second advantage is what? Security. The third advantage is what here?
Scalability.
Scalability.
Yes.
These are the three major advantages of using software applications in the business. The first advantage, time. Tell me, guys, time is most precious in everybody's life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Someone need to mute, please. Everybody, please mute. Except Dheeraj. Dheeraj, talk with me. Rest of all the people keep quiet. Dheeraj, where are you from?
Yes. I'm basically from Bihar.
Bihar. Bihar, which place? Patna?
Sir, it's 230 kilometers away from Patna, Saharsa.
Let us assume you are living in Patna, okay?
Okay.
And you are my friend. I'm living in Hyderabad right now.
Okay.
Clear? You and myself, both of the friends. I'm talking about 30 years back matter. Listen carefully, all of you, everybody in the classroom. Dheeraj and myself, both of the friends. He's living in Patna, myself living in Hyderabad. Both of the friends. He is having the account in SBI, State Bank of India. Understand? I am having the account in PNB. PNB stands for Punjab National Bank. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
40 years back, my friend Mr. Dheeraj asking 10,000 rupees. He requested me. Who's this? Who draw these lines? Are Dattatray. Listen the class
Sorry,
carefully, all of you. 40 years back, my friend asking me 10,000 rupees. I need to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Tell me, guys, what I have to do. I have to go to the bank, Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I got the money, 10,000 rupees. I withdraw, and I need to walk down to where? SBI.
You need to get a demand draft and then post it to Dheeraj to Patna.
Okay.
And Dheeraj will
That is
submit
one
that
way.
demand
Or
draft.
other way is what I have to go to deposit form. Where I have to go?
Yeah.
SBI. There I need to take deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. There I can deposit the amount. Tell me, in this bank, I have to spend at least 30 minutes time to withdraw the money. In this bank, at least 30 minutes time to deposit the money. So approximately, I have to spend near about 1.5 hour time to perform this particular transaction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out everybody in the classroom. That is long back story. That is long back story. If I want to transfer the funds into my friend's account, I no need to go to the bank. I can simply open the net banking application. I can simply open what? Net banking application or mobile banking application.
Or UPI.
Yeah,
Or I
Phone
can
Pay,
use
Google
Phone Pay.
Paytm, like.
Or I can use Paytm, Google Pay. There are so many ways to transfer the funds into my friend's account within a span of minutes of time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, guys, what is net banking, mobile banking, what is Phone Pay, Google Pay? These are all software applications or not?
Yes, sir.
Using these software applications, I can easily transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account without wasting much time. So according to this example, what you understand is, if I'm using software application, it saves my time or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody in the class?
Definitely save the time, sir.
Yeah, that is the first advantage. The second advantage is security. What is the security here? Tell me, 40, 30 years back, if you want to buy anything outside in the market, we have to carry the cash with you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without carrying the cash, you cannot buy anything outside. Clear, all of you? I want to buy some groceries. I want to buy some provisions. Suppose I'm going to the supermarket. I want to buy fruits, some vegetables. Definitely have to carry the cash with me right now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, you don't need to carry the cash. You can everything you can pay through what? Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm, or you can use your debit card or credit card, whatever it is. Yes or no? Once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your cash or not? Speak out. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Yeah. So this is the second advantage of what? Using
Software applications.
The third advantage is scalability. What is the scalability here? As I said, my friend is staying in where? In Patna. And where I'm staying? Hyderabad. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. If I want to deposit in his account, I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Patna. There I need to, and where I have to go? I have to go to the bank where my friend is open branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Why? Because this bank is different, this bank is different. This branch is different, this branch is different. 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch is working independently. One bank is nowhere related to what? Other bank. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. That is a major problem. But once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. That is the reason we can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere across the world nowadays. So this is all about what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability using what? Software. So these are the three major advantages of using what? software applications? Yes or no? What is the first advantage? Speak out all of you.
Time.
Saves your time, provides the security, and also we can achieve
Scalability.
Scalability.
I hope everyone understands these examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the three major advantages of using software application. Understand, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is only one side of the coin. Now I'm going to discuss about what is this? Difficulties of using what? Software applications in the business. Point clear, all of you? What is the next point I'm going to discuss? Difficulties of using software applications in the business. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Everybody please mute. Everybody please mute. Let us take a small example here. Let us take a small example. I have a company. My company name is called XYZ company. For this company, I need some software application. So I given this project to a company called TCS. What is TCS here? Development company. TCS point of view, who is XYZ company? XYZ company belongs to client, yes or no? So here, TCS need to develop the application or TCS need to develop the project as per the client requirement, that is XYZ company, yes or no? If TCS wants to develop the project as per the XYZ company requirement or as per the client requirement, is TCS need some programming language or not?
Yes.
Definitely.
They need some operating system or not? And also they need some database. So without having these three, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. That everybody knows this point. So programming language, operating system, database. These are the three minimum prerequisites to develop any project for any company. So in this particular example, TCS decided to develop this application using one of the programming language called C#. What is the programming language name? C#. So C# programming language developed by which company?
Microsoft.
So now TCS need to purchase the original licensed software from Microsoft company or not? Speak out, all of you. TCS is not supposed to use pirated software.
We need to buy the original.
Yeah, TCS need to use original software. TCS is not supposed to use what? Pirated software. In Hyderabad, Amirpet, everything is pirated only. Yes or no? But if you go for real time, no development company can use what? Pirated software. They have to purchase the original license from vendor companies. So Microsoft company is a vendor company for this product, and TCS invested some amount, approximately 5 lakhs. They purchased the software from which company here? Microsoft company. But C# is not only sufficient. They need some operating system and as well as database also. That is why TCS decided to use Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is also developed with company? Microsoft. It's cost around approximately 10 lakhs. And database, they decided to use Oracle database. Oracle database cost around 15 lakhs. Tell me approximately altogether TCS invested how much here? We got guys. TCS invested how much? 5 lakhs plus 10 lakhs
30
plus
lakhs.
15 lakhs. Total how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs invested with TCS. They purchased these three products from all these three vendor companies, and they develop the project as per the client requirement. All of you understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow, this
Yes.
client also going to use this application or not? If the client wants to use this application, even client also need to purchase all these three products or not? Now tell me, in this example, client also need to invest how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Now tell me, all of you, 30 lakhs business coming from TCS company and another 30 lakhs business coming from client to whom here? To vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So vendor companies getting more revenue from both client and as well as TCS companies here. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Now tell me, among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, vendor companies getting more profit and more business. That is the reason vendor company owners are the most visionary people in the market and also the most wealthiest persons in the market. Who are the most wealthiest persons in the market? Vendor company owners. Tell me, who is Bill Gates?
Microsoft. My
Microsoft
friend.
owner. Yes or no? Speak out. Who is Larry Ellison? Oracle company owner. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook owner. Who are these people? Vendor company owners or not?
Yeah.
Elon Musk.
Vendor company owners are the most wealthiest persons in the world because they are getting more business, more profit than clients and as well as development companies. I hope all of you understand this example clearly. Yes or no? Hello, guys. Speak out, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Good.
yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is, excuse me. Here my question is, TCS invested 30 lakhs. They purchased these three products from this Microsoft company and Oracle company. Tell me, is TCS can use these products lifelong, forever and ever?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
No.
They give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years.
Right.
Sir, after 5 years, excuse me, don't make noise in the class. After 5 years, again, TCS need to renew the software or renew the product. Yes or no? Or renew the license, I can say. Clear? Means that development companies and clients, these two people, they keep on what? Upgrade the software.
Or need to buy the license again.
Yeah, upgrade the software. They need to install the software and also they need to
Pay for the subscription.
maintain the software. Clear, all of you? Both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, it leads to increase the, what is this? Speak out.
Cost. Increase the setup cost.
It is good. It is going to increase the setup cost for both whom? For both clients and also
Service.
what? Development company. All of you understand the point clearly? For both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by clients and as well as development companies on their own. Then it leads to what happens? It leads to increase the, speak out, setup cost. Cost will increase like anything, day by day like anything for both clients and as well as development companies. Am I clear this point, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. You can hear me? Because of the setup cost, only top level companies only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies. Top level companies or premium level companies. Someone need to mute, please. Subhashis Roy, please mute. Only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies. I'll give you one example about this. Suppose, I hope all of you know about KFC. Yes or no? Baba, speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know
Yes,
about
sir.
KFC. In Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. I'm going to compare KFC with bakery here. Suppose I'm going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. Here, if I order one burger, there is a person who is standing in front of the system. He enters my order, he gives some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It means that is KFC people using software applications in their business or not? Yes, they are
Yes.
using software applications in the business. They are having its own systems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to the bakery. Suppose I ordered same burger here, but bakery owner do not maintain any software, do not maintain any systems. He just take the order and give the order to me. That's it. Now tell me, according to this point, what you understand is why KFC using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe. Sir, no. KFC business turnover in crores.
Yeah.
But whereas bakery business turnover, maximum thousands or lakhs. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes.
That is why KFC can afford what? Setup cost, but not bakery owner. According to this example, what you understand is only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications in their business, but not small companies. All of you understand this example, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, if you decrease the cost, that customers automatically increase or not? Simple business funda. Suppose, take a small example. Right now, I wore, suppose, a Levi's t-shirt. T-shirt? Levi's t-shirt. This cost around 2,000 rupees. Tell me, out of how many people, out of 100 people, how many people can afford for 2,000 rupees for night t-shirt? Maximum?
3%.
30%. So 30%. So 30 people can buy. So Levi's company getting how much profit? How much business? Only 60,000 business. Clear all of you? In case Levi's company reduce the t-shirt cost, maybe 500. Okay. Then how many people can buy here?
80%. 80.
How many people can buy? Or maybe 1,000 rupees.
80.
They reduce. How many people can buy out of 100 people? 90 people can buy. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So he will get how much profit? How much business? 90,000 business. Clear all of you? It means that if you reduce the cost, then customers will increase. If customers will increase, you will get more profit, more revenue. Yes or no? I want immediate response from
Yes,
all
sir.
of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here also we have to reduce the setup cost. If you reduce the cost, then customers automatically increase. Okay, guys. But how to reduce the cost here? How to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called something like what? Speak out.
Cloud
Cloud
storage or
computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing. It's a concept. Or I can say it is a technology. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we require. Everything will provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those, what is this? Services. This is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. Once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. It is a concept or a technology. Whatever IT services we require here, everything will provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Actually, before I start the class, somebody asking, sir, so what is the configuration laptop I need to use? What I said, make sure that your internet connection should be speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember, all of you, just now somebody asked before I start the session today.
Yes, sir.
Remember, like that
Yes,
here
sir.
also, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. If we have the internet connection, every service provided by whom here? Vendor company. Actually, in the traditional system, in the olden days, both clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own, and they have to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by clients and development companies. But nowadays, once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. That is why the moment cloud computing come into the market, both clients and development companies, they will release the button from upgrading the software, installing the software, and also maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. All of you understand what I am speaking here? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
For your better understanding, I'm going to give a small example regarding cloud computing. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Every day, I want to check my mails and also need to take printout. So what I have to do? If I want to check my mails, if I want to take the printout, I need to buy some laptop or not. And also I need to buy some printer. I need to buy some stationery, white papers, etc. And also I need to take some internet connection from ISP. You got all of you. And every month I need to pay the rent for this. Tell me, laptop costs around approximately how much? 50,000. Printer cost approximately 20,000. Stationery approximately 2,000. Internet connection every month I need to pay near about 1,500. Tell me, approximately near about 70 to 80,000 rupees I have to spend or not? No. For just browsing only 5 minutes per day, and also need to take what? Printout. Tell me, investing 80,000 rupees for just browsing the mails and take the printout, I think it's unnecessary for us. Yes or no? Yes. So to avoid this problem, simply, instead of purchasing all these things, simply I'm going to some internet center or any browsing center. Here, all of you. There I can check my mails. There I can take the printout. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the systems? Who purchased the printer? Who purchased the stationery?
Shop
Who took
owner.
the internet connection? Everything is maintained by internet center owner. Yes or no? Speak out. As a user, I simply go there. As a user, I simply go there and access the services. I paid the amount and come back. That's it. Here, everything will be taken care of by internet center owner. Yes or no? In the same way, in the cloud computing is also everything will be taken care of by Vendor company.
Vendor company.
Whatever services you require, everything provided by vendor company. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. Yes or no? This
Yes,
process can be called as a pay-per-use model. What is this?
Pay-per-use model.
Pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use means how much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. That is, it can be called as pay-per-use. Or the other way around, we can call it as plug and play. And also we can also be called as what? IT services on demand. You understand the point clearly?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about what? Cloud computing. Concept is very simple, guys. It's not a rocket science. Even a layman also can easily understand this concept. I hope you understand this example. If you understand this example, you can easily understand what is cloud computing means.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let me coming back to the first point. I asked one question to Dheeraj. What is my question here? What is Salesforce? Till now, I'm not getting the answer from anybody. I will tell the answer. What is Salesforce? A Salesforce is a vendor company, just like what? Microsoft, IBM, and all. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark. What is this? Who's this? Mark Benioff.
Benioff.
Yeah, this company runs on the concept name is called
Cloud computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
So if anybody asks what is Salesforce, what is the answer? A Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name, it's called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by a vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we need to pay to vendor company. That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model or plug-and-play model or IT services on demand model. I hope you understand all these points clearly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Dheeraj got a doubt. What is this Dheeraj doubt is? Or you keep on saying that the vendor company provides what? Services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company basically provides 3 types of services. How many?
3 types.
3 types. The first type of service can be called as IaaS. The second type of service can be called as PaaS. The third type of service can be called as SaaS, or the other way around, we can call it as what? AAAS. This is clear, all of you. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service. So these are the 3 services provided by vendor company over the cloud. What are all these services? What is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? Everything we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So in today's session, we just discussed only 2 points. Point number 1 is what is Salesforce? Point number 2 is what is
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Only these 2 points, last 1 hour we discussed. I hope you understand these 2 points. Regarding these 2 points, if anybody have any doubts, you please ask the questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Who's this?
This is Janvi.
Yeah, Janvi, go ahead.
Yeah, so the class is going to be every day at the same time.
Yeah, same time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay, and there's so this weekend there's no class, right?
Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. Saturday have session.
Okay,
6
so
days a
because
week.
okay, I'm joining from Dallas, Texas, so I had the confusion, but thank you.
Now, is this time is amicable for you to attend?
Yes, for the next 2 months, yes.
No problem. Then you can attend. You can continue. So, how you feel about the session, Jami?
It's quite good, sir. Thank you so much.
So, what about others, guys?
Yes, sir. Your teaching style and storytelling ability is very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Sir.
It
Thank
was
you,
a good
guys.
session, sir.
So I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I would like to learn only the admin part, Salesforce admin part.
Okay, no problem. You can attend.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
So currently I'm working as a process trainer. Okay. And my graduation is not done. I'm only 12th pass guy. Okay. I am dropout. Okay. BE dropout in a third year. So is this course is helpful for me if I want to join any IT company?
Not required.
I'm
This
living
was,
in Indore. Okay.
this is enough for you guys. It's enough for you. And
Sorry?
I will tell you one important point. Okay.
Mhm.
Down the line, next 10 years, sales was very good in the market.
Yes, sir. Sir, just pardon, sir. Sir, just allow me a minute. Okay. So this course is helpful for me, yes. Or is there any entry barrier for the graduation guys?
Yeah, that is helpful for you. No problem.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
No problem.
I have a question. Salesforce, we understand like Salesforce from product point of view and other things. You explained very nicely. Thank you very much for that. Do we have any competitor in terms of like what services Salesforce provide? And
yeah, there are so many competitors are there because almost everybody in cloud only. In Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft.
So, so mostly like all the customized service provider, all the customized product product providers are like other competitor of Salesforce.
So,
yes,
sir,
obviously. But the point
AWS
is, what's your name?
both are the same service. Both are the same type of services. AWS and Salesforce.
Almost every company provide all three services, but each company is top in one area. For example, Amazon company is top number one company in case of what? Infrastructure as well. Point clear?
Infrastructure as well as PaaS also, or like only
no,
for
Amazon company is the top number one in case of infrastructure, not PaaS. Okay. But which is the company, number one company in the area of PaaS is Salesforce. And Google company is the top number one company in the world, which gives what? PaaS area. That is why, see, you know about Gmail. Gmail application developed by Google company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 99% people having Gmail account nowadays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So software as service or application service means vendor company directly providing application service to all of us. That kind of service you can call it as application service. Point clear. So Amazon company is the top number one company in the case of what? Infrastructure. Salesforce company is the world number one company in the world in case of platform. Google company is the number one company in the world in the area of what? Application service.
Sir, Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application.
Sorry?
Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application.
No, on Salesforce provided on platform.
Okay.
The platform name is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
On this platform, as a developer, we can develop application.
Okay.
And whatever application you develop, that application you can directly give as a service to all of us. That kind of service we can call it as what? Application as service.
Okay.
I hope you understand this point.
Yes, sir.
Old name can be called as force.com. A new name can be called as right platform.
So, Sai, if Oracle comes very close to Salesforce in terms of PaaS?
Actually, Salesforce using database, Oracle database on the back end.
Right, but when it comes to the front end, right, it's more of the customization. Sorry if I'm dragging you or like if I'm just deviating from the main point. You can skip this question.
No problem. Go ahead. You can ask.
Yeah, so my only curiosity is like to know, I understand like it's more from the platform, right? The back end would be it could be clubbed of all jargons, IT jargons, I could call it as. It could be Oracle, it could be DB2, it could be Sybase or anything SQL Server, but ultimately it's like
But
how we are
Salesforce, no,
actually
no.
presenting.
Salesforce exclusively used backend database Oracle only.
Okay, thank you for
And
that one.
front end
So
they're using
ultimately it is.
Apex programming language.
So ultimately, how we are presenting the data to the customer or to the client, and which way how conveniently like we are presenting it to the business. Now that's where like my question is coming to like, okay, Salesforce is one of very powerful tool in that way, but do we have any when you say like 10 years, right? Is like say passes. So do we see someone else is also like chasing Salesforce or like coming very close to it?
Yeah, there are many companies are competitors for Salesforce company.
Dynamics,
Okay.
Siebel.
Okay, there are so many companies are there, but ultimately what happens is Salesforce given the very strongest platform for the developers on which developer can develop application very quickly. That's it can be called as RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. I'll give you an example. Suppose. So if you want to develop any kind of enterprise application that is shown like this, enterprise application is a combination of 3 different applications: business application, plus CRM application, plus integration application. Understand? If you want to develop the enterprise application using some Java or .NET or Python, you take any technology apart from Salesforce, it takes minimum 4 to 5 years time.
Understand?
Minimum to minimum. Understand? Excuse me. Someone need to mute, please. It takes minimum 4 to 5 years time. The same kind of application, if you want to develop on platform, force.com, on Salesforce, we can develop maximum 8 to 9 months of time. Understand this point clearly now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So how it is possible? Because Salesforce internally supports 10 different technologies. How many?
10 different technologies.
Yeah. Because of that reason, Salesforce is very top number in the position compared to other companies.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
No problem.
One question is that. Hello. Sir, one question is that is Apex programming language is used for front end only?
Yeah, Apex programming language is meant for business purpose, business logic purpose. Front end, we are using Visual Force.
And supposed to backend for JavaScript and Node.js. Am I right?
Backend database they are using.
Okay.
Front end, they are using what? Visual Force. In JavaScript, we are using JavaScript in Lightning part.
Okay.
Lightning, we are using what? JavaScript.
Sir, one question. One question is
actually,
the content.
I'm sorry, guys, because immediately I have another session for US company people. They're waiting for me.
Sir,
So,
one last question.
Yeah.
So the content which you are going to tell in next 3 months, is it for the real time people so that the people can after joining the company they can manage, right?
Why not?
Okay.
Undoubtedly.
So I have a question.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Janvi again.
Yeah, Janvi, tell me.
So the once if we are through this course, is it can we give examination and for admin?
At the end of every module, I'm going to conduct a small interview kind of thing. I'm going to discuss about interview questions.
Okay.
And also, I'm going to take some practice test.
Okay, that's awesome, sir. But my question is that once we finish this whole course, can we be confident enough to take the certification for admin app developer PD1?
Obviously.
Okay.
I'll give the dumps also. I already told you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Certification dumps I'll give you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sir, will you teach LWC or just Aura components? Like
Aura components I will cover. LWC separate batch.
separate batch.
Sir, for Aura components,
We have to pay extra for LWC.
See, I have only 2 years. I can hear only one person at a time.
Sorry. Sorry. My question is for LWC we have to pay extra.
Yes, it is separate batch. It's not covered. LWC is not covering here.
Okay.
So the 6 modules will continue initially is configuration, now development, then integration, like that, or any difference?
Actually, if you want to go through rest of all the 5 modules, before that everybody should learn or should have the knowledge on configuration. Without configuration, you cannot go to any other module. Point clear?
Yeah.
Generally, this is my way of explanation. This is the flow I am following generally.
Development and integration part. So after configuration, development integration will come, right? So that's why I'm asking.
After configuration, generally development and integration and administration I am following. This is my order I am following. But some people request me, sir, after configuration, please let me start administration. I want to go for administration side like this. So based on
I have a doubt. Okay. Suppose post this course, we need to buy some another course like the development or integration or administration.
Nothing. Everything is covered here only.
Okay. Everything is covered in this, 6 steps.
Yes. Okay. It already told you how many modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus.
But you said LWC is different.
LWC is different. Lightning is different. Lightning I'm covering cover only Aura components.
So we need to buy one more courses for this.
One more course means which course you want?
I think you told this thing na ki you need to learn lighting in another session or
that is LWC. That is totally different topic.
LWC is totally different. Okay, sir.
Sir,
if you want to go for LWC, if you have the knowledge in Aura components, you can understand LWC easily.
Okay, hello. We don't have any more.
Understand? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, all of you.
Hello. Sir, I need a hello. Hello.
He just got a call.
The people are waiting for me, guys. The other batch.
Sir, LWC.
Hey guys, if you have any, it said it takes LWC takes 40 days time, guys.
14
Sir, I have a question, sir. Hello.
See, if you have any questions, we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Sorry.
Sir, the CPQ is. Sir, I need one question, sir.
Yeah,
CPQ are going to teach, sir. CPQ.
CPQ is totally different. Without having this knowledge, you cannot go for CPQ, man. For this, we need to buy a separate server for that.
Okay.
So that is very expensive, actually.
Okay.
You want to, I will teach you CPQ, no problem.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Deepthi. I'm from California. Do you teach in other time also? Because it's little bit early for me.
So I think it's night 8 o'clock means for you it's morning 9:30. I hope so. Is it right?
No, it's 6:30 for me in the morning.
Oh.
And it's 10:30 for me, sir, here in the morning.
Sir, do you have any morning batches?
I will start a new batch morning, but very soon because I'm occupying some other batches morning time. I'm quite busy from evening morning 5 o'clock onwards. That is the reason. You have to wait another at least 1 month.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir.
So what is my suggestion is please continue in this batch. The moment I started the new batch, I will let you know. You can join in that batch. No problem.
So do you have any batches starting for the evening?
Sir, you said after Pongal you will start a morning batch. Is it already started or?
It's not yet started. I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you understand and you enjoy the session today.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What about others, guys?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So the last class we discussed about Is everyone can view my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So let me recap the points again. Just
Yes, sir.
I will start the today's session.
Sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you give overview of yesterday session?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
Is anyone joined today? So in the last class, we discussed about two important points. What is Salesforce? Second point is what is cloud computing? So these are the two important points in the last class we discussed. Just try to recap all the points. Salesforce. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. Company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. Company CEO is Mark Benioff. This is the background history of Salesforce company. This company runs on the concept called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, someone need to mute please. Some noise around you. Mr. Dattatray.
Yes, sir.
Please mute. Thank you. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it is a concept, or I can say it is a technology. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require or we need, everything will provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. What are IT services here? IT services means they will provide hardware and also they will provide what? Both they provided as a service. The clients and development companies. So if you want to use these services, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. That is enough to access what? All these services. So in traditional approach, in the olden days, both the clients and development companies, they have to keep on upgrading software. They have to keep on installing the software. They have to maintain the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by client and development companies in the traditional ways and the traditional approach, I can say. But once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. So as a user, we just need only internet connection. We can access these services. So this is what exact meaning of what? Cloud computing. So these are the two important points in the last class we discussed. I hope you understand, you remember all these topics. Or no? Now let us start the today's session, guys. But what kind of services vendor company provides to the clients and development companies? Vendor company basically provides 3 types of services over the cloud. What are those services? The first service can be called as IaaS. The second service can be called as PaaS. The third service can be called as something like what? SaaS or AaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. And SaaS stands for software or application as a service. So these are the 3 different services provided by vendor company over the cloud. So first, let me discuss about infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides hardware. Hardware means networks, database servers, memory space. Everything belongs to what? Hardware only. Here vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. That kind of service, we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Here, vendor company provides what? Hardware as a service. Hardware means what? They will provide the networks, they will provide servers, and also they will provide what? Their memory space. Especially memory space I'm talking here. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. I hope all of you know about Google Drive. Google Drive is the best example for what? Infrastructure as a service. Tell me, what is the advantage of Google Drive? In the Google Drive, we can
upload the data.
You can store your information,
Yeah.
you can store your pictures, audio, video clippings, whatever you have, you can upload. Tell me, guys, a simple question I'm asking. Google Drive memory space provided by whom? Company. Tell me.
Google
Company. Yes or no?
company called as Google.
Company provided their memory space as a service to all of us, where we can store our information, where we can upload our files, where we can upload your pictures, video, audio clippings, everything we can store here. Yes or no? So we are going to use a Google company memory space as a service. This kind of service, we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service.
IaaS.
Yes, I hope you understand this example clearly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, Amazon company is a top number one company.
Also comes under the SaaS.
No, SaaS is different.
Okay.
SaaS is different. Amazon company is a top number one company in the world which gives infrastructure as a service. Once again, I'm repeating. Amazon company is a top number one company in the world which gives infrastructure as a service. The second type of service can be called as platform as a service. Platform as a service. What is the meaning of a platform here? As a developer, if you want to develop any application, whether it's bigger application or a smaller application, suppose take the example of enterprise application. Enterprise application is a combination of 3 different applications. That is business application, plus a CRM application, and also we have something like what? Integration application. The comprising of all the 3 applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. If you want to develop enterprise application as a developer, you need minimum 3 things. You need some programming language, you need some database, and also you need some operating system. Without having these 3, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. So here, vendor company provides programming language, database, operating system as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service, we can call it as platform as a service. Salesforce is the top #1 company in the world, which gives platform as a service in the world. There are so many companies in the world. Out of so many companies, Salesforce company is the top #1 company, gives the best platform for the developers on which developers can develop the application very quickly and very fastly. If you want to develop enterprise application by using Java technology or maybe .NET technology or maybe something like Python, you take any technology, it takes a minimum 4 to 5 years time to develop the complete enterprise application. The same kind of application, if you want to develop on platform given by Salesforce, on which we can develop the application within maximum 8 to 10 months of time. That much of duration is, that much of time duration is difference. Clear, all of you? That is the reason in the all over the world, the clients are interested to go for what? Salesforce side only. The platform name, which is given by Salesforce, is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
Force.com is a platform name which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application very quickly. That is why it can be called as RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. If you want to develop the application on Force.com platform, okay, we can develop the application very quickly and comparatively what other technologies. Is anyone know about Java here? Any Java developers here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is your name?
Yes, Sabyasachi, sir.
Sabyasachi. Your belongs to?
Bhubaneswar,
Bengal?
Odisha. Odisha, sir. Bhubaneswar.
Okay, Bhubaneswar, fine. Mr. Sabyasachi here, please listen carefully. For your understanding purpose, rest of the people listen carefully. We have front end. What is that?
Front end, sir.
We have front end and we have something like what? Back end. Back end means what? Take out.
Database. Programming language.
The end user always sitting in the front end, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So through which end user is going to interact. Suppose end user is going to feed some data through end front end, and whatever data is fed, this data finally sourced into where? Backend. Yes, sir.
Backend part. Yes, sir.
So if you want to give this kind of functionality in Java, I'm talking about Java developers here. At least you have to write minimum 500 lines of code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I want to insert the data through form. Whatever data I'm entering in the form, the data finally stores into backend database. If you want to get this functionality in Java or .NET, the programmers or developers need to write a minimum how many lines code?
500 lines.
500 lines code. For the same kind of functionality, we can get through what? Force.com platform within 30 lines code. Understand, all of you? How much code? Only 30 lines.
Okay.
That much of length is going to decrease here. The program length. I will show you right now here. I will show you right now. Everybody, please look at the screen and try to understand. Let me log in first. So this is the front end form, yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simple form.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many text boxes I placed? 4. And how many buttons I placed? 2 buttons.
2 buttons.
Here I am going to enter the employee details. So let me enter the name like Vivek. Salary, let me give 90,000. Department number 20 I given. Job, let me give manager. I click on save button. Understand? This record gets inserted in where?
In database.
Here, let me refresh. Record gets inserted or not?
Yes, inserted.
Inserted.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me how many lines code I written? Hardly I written how many lines?
27. 22.
30 lines.
30 lines. Yes,
Do
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
spaces also.
Yes, sir.
How many lines? 28 lines only.
Yes.
The same kind of functionality if you want to get in Java or .NET. Sabyasachi, tell me, you are the only witness for this. Or no?
Yes, sir.
How many lines of code we have to write minimum? Near to 400 to
Sir,
500 lines.
400, 500 lines, sir.
We have to import so many utilities. We
Yes,
have to
sir.
import so many libraries. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but we should write a logic for that, no?
Not
Like
required. Logic
insert-
is also not required. Everything will be taken care by Salesforce only.
Okay.
That is the beauty of what Salesforce here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hardly how many lines are written here? Only 28 lines. That is why the people who don't know about programming also, they can easily understand what Salesforce. That is the reason.
Suppose.
That is the reason we can develop the application very quickly. That is the reason it can be called as what? RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. Excuse me, Sandeep Kumar Gupta, please mute. Sandeep Kumar, I'm requesting all of you in the classroom. Once we started the session, please sit in a separate room. Don't sit in the crowded places. I'm requesting all of you in the class, because if you sit in the crowded places, it is getting disturbance for you and as well as others also.
Yes, sir.
I'm requesting all of you in the classroom. Tomorrow onwards, please sit in a separate room without a noise. I don't want to hear any kind of noise here in the classroom. Clear, everyone? What
Yes,
is this
sir. Hello.
nonsense? Hello, excuse me. Who is 1WM DWO? Who's this guy? What is your name? Starts with P here. All of you understand, guys. That is why we can develop the application very quickly in what? Salesforce. I hope you understand this example. Sir, no?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Actually, if I want to for rendering some data, in that purpose, I have to write some logic, or Salesforce will take care of that
Yeah,
rendering.
that I will
of
tell you what is logic and all. I will tell you. This is not the right time to discuss about that. Sir, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got
I
it.
will tell you how to write the logic and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just showing how the application is running.
Okay, sir.
Clear, all of you?
Okay.
Very good. So platform as a service means what? Here vendor company provides what? Programming language, database, operating system as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. Here Salesforce company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives the best platform in the world. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
And whatever application you developed on platform, if you give that application directly as service to the clients and development companies, then that kind of service can be called as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Means here vendor company provides application directly as a service to the clients and also development companies. That kind of service we can call it as what? software as a service, or the other way around, we can call it as what? Application as a service. Here, Google company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives what? Application as a service. Why? Because people are using what? Email application. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Email is an application or not?
Yes.
And this Gmail application developed which company?
Google.
And if you want to use this application, what do you require?
Internet connection.
Only internet connection. That is enough to access what? Gmail application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Email application developed by Google company, automatically updated by Google company, and installed by Google company. Everything will be taken care by Google company. They designed this application. They given this application as what? As a service to all of us. We are directly using this application. This kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Like that, vendor company provides 3 types of services over the cloud. The first type of service we can call it as infrastructure as a service. Second type of service can be called as platform as a service. The third type of service can be called as software as a service or application as a service. I hope you understand all these 3 services.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for my satisfaction, which company is the #1 company in the area of infrastructure as a service?
Amazon.
Amazon. Case of PaaS?
Yes, CRM.
Salesforce.
In case of SaaS?
Google.
Google. Good. Shall I go for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Have any doubts, guys? I'm requesting all of you. If you have any doubts, you please ask me at the end of the session. I'll give the time. Okay. Likita, please mute. Nara Likita, please mute. Thank you. So the next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce developed on different clouds. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce clouds. What are the Salesforce clouds here? The first type of cloud is marketing cloud. Second one is sales cloud. The other one is service cloud. Fourth one is force.com. Next one is data.com, database.com, something like health cloud, commerce cloud, Einstein cloud. Like that, there are so many clouds given by Salesforce. So let me discuss one by one here. And one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time, listen carefully and try to understand. Nobody asking any kind of question from these clouds at the time of entry. Out of the box, I'm discussing this. As a Salesforce professional, you should know about all these things. That is the reason I'm going to discuss about all these clouds. Listen carefully and try to understand. So let me start with Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is an application. This application related to marketing. And whereas Sales Cloud is also an application, this application related to sales. And Service Cloud is also an application. It is related to service, or the other way around, we can call it as what? So like that, Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. All these 3 applications are related to marketing sales, and service. Marketing plus sales plus service. All these three combination, we can call it as CRM. What does CRM stands for?
Customer relationship manager.
It's not manager.
Management.
Customer relationship
Management.
management. Or the other way around, management relationship with the customer. Tell me which is correct. Is customer relationship management is correct, or management relationship with customer is correct?
Both are
Management relationship.
Abbreviation point of view, customer relationship management is correct, but the inner meaning of CRM is management relationship with customer.
Management.
Why? Because for every business, who is most important?
Customer.
Customer is most important. Yes or no, all of you? So without
Yes, sir.
customer,
Yes, sir.
without customer, there is no business, there is no company, and there is no management. Yes or no?
Yeah. Answer.
Mr. Realme, Ramakrishna, everybody please mute. Rest of all the people please mute, okay? So management need to maintain the good relationship with whom here? Customer. Because without customer, there is no management there. There is no business, there is no company also. That is why management need to maintain the amicable relationship, friendly relationship, healthy relationship with whom here? Customer. Am I clear this point?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So what is the goal of CRM here? The goal of CRM is retain the existing customer, and grab the new customer to our business. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. What is the goal of CRM? Goal of CRM is retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into our business. For your better understanding, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of retain? Retain means
Someone who
always
Maintain.
the existing customer is always stick with the company. Yes or no? Or stick with the product.
Yes.
That is the meaning of what? Retaining. But when the existing customer is always stick with the company, when the existing customer is always stick with the company, by providing what?
good
Good
services.
Product.
or
Good.
what is this? Quality product. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Product to the customer.
Then customer.
Second important point is, after selling the product to the customer, we have to give what? Good
Services.
service to the customer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you do not provide the good service to the customer, then existing customer will not happy. In case if the existing customer not happy, we will not get the new customer into the business. All of you understand this point?
Yes.
Hello?
Sir. Yes. Sir.
So we have to maintain these to keep on. What is that? We need to provide what? Always quality product to the customer. And also we have to provide what? Good service to the customer. For your better understanding, I'm giving very elaborate example. Just try to understand what I'm speaking here. Using this example or by this example, you can easily understand the importance of CRM. Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen to the class
Yes,
very
sir.
carefully. This example is very important for you. Tell me, India won World Cup in 1983. Cricket World Cup. First time, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Under Kapil Dev captaincy.
Yeah.
You know about history, yes or no?
Sir.
India won first World Cup in cricket in 1983 under Kapil Dev captaincy. At that particular point of time, I'm talking to at that particular point of time, 40 years back. Okay. So very few people having TVs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
what kind of TVs? Black and white TVs only.
Yes,
Is anyone remember the company names? TV company names?
BPL.
Solid.
Konak TV.
Konak TV, very good. Konak TV, EPL,
Onida.
Sir, no.
Videocon.
Solid, Videocon. These are very old companies. Yes or no? Tell me why
Yes,
these
sir.
companies are not available in the market. Nowadays, the TV market is completely dominated by Sony, LG,
Marketing.
and Samsung. Yes or no?
Yes,
These
sir.
are the three companies are dominating the TV market. Accepted all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But why these companies are not available in the market?
Those
Because
companies are not providing any
Because
service to the customers.
they have not provided the services and they have not updated.
They are not satisfying customers, sir.
there are, yeah, that is correct. There are two reasons. The first reason is they cannot compete with what?
Technology.
Technology. And also they do not provide any service to the what?
Customer.
At that particular point of time, the management, the business people attitude is they're always focused on what? Marketing and sales. They never focus on what?
Services.
Service. Once they sold the product to the customer, they never care about the customer problems. That is the reason these companies are completely collapsed. For example, I'm talking about 40 years back matter. I'm a business person. I have a TV company. My own TV company is there. My company name is called Durga TV. What is the TV name?
Durga TV.
Yeah. Okay. So suppose, Vivek, are you there in the class? Vivek.
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yeah. So Vivek is a cricket lover. I'm talking about 40 years back matter. The 1983 World Cup is going to start maybe next 10 days. And he's planning to buy a TV. And one fine morning, he opened the newspaper. He saw Durga TV advertisement in the paper. Then immediately he likes the TV. He went to the TV showroom. He bought this TV. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
After paying the amount at the counter, he has to bring back the TV on his own by rickshaw or auto. And also he has to hire some technician or electrician. And that electrician is going to fix the TV in his house. Some antenna kind of thing and all. Sir, no? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
At that particular point of time, we have only one channel. That is
Antenna.
Durga only.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Remember all of you. Let us go back to 40 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So, and Vivek enjoying the TV, enjoying the World Cup. Okay. This TV is working fine up to 1 year. After 1 year, the TV got some problem. At that particular point of time, what we have to do, he has to take the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. Again, he has to bring back the TV. Again, he's watching the TV. Maybe after 3 months, the TV got some other problem. Again, he has to take back the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. Again, he has to bring back the TV. He's watching the TV. Maybe after 3 months, the TV got some other problem. Like that, whenever the TV has some problem, what he has to do, every time he has to take back the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem and bring back the TV. Tell me, as a customer, are you really happy with this product?
No, sir.
No. You never. Clear, all of you? Speak out, guys. Good.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there
sir.
is another person. Okay. He is a neighbor. His name is Vinay, and Vinay is the neighbor of Vivek. And Vinay is also planning to buy a TV. So before he's going to buy the Durga TV, he's asking about the feedback about the TV or not.
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Of course.
Vivek, what kind of feedback they're giving to Vinay? Don't go for this TV, this stupid company. The product is not good. I'm fed up with the TV. Okay. So I also planning to change the TV.
He will give
What
negative
kind of
feedback.
you have given? So definitely Vinay is not going to buy this TV. Yes or no?
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Means that existing customer not happy, then obviously next customer is not coming to the picture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you. So why it is all happening? They do not provide any kind of
Services.
Services.
Durga TV people do not provide any service to the customer.
Service to the customers.
But today's scenario completely changed. Suppose today Vivek went to TV showroom, Sony company, and he bought this TV worth of 1 lakh. He paid the amount at the counter. Immediately he got SMS on his mobile. Yes or no? Saying that congratulations, you are the family member of what? Sony TV and all.
Sony
Yes
TV.
or no? Then
Yes, sir.
he no need to bring back the TV on his own. The TV showroom owner is going to send the TV to his home. Along with the TV, he is also sending what? Some technician. And that technician is going to fix the TV at his home. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And that technician is going
exactly.
and that technician is going to demonstrate the TV, how to start the TV, how to off the TV, how to browse the channels and all. And after that, after fixation, that technical person provided on number, Mr. Vivek, if you got any problem, you don't need to panic yourself. You please call this number. Our customer technical executive come to your place and rectify the problem. Okay, like that he told. Suppose this TV is working fine. Maybe after 2 years, the TV got some problem. Then what he has to do? Simply call to that number. That call goes to where? Speak out.
Call center.
Call center or
Technician. Customer service.
which is maintained by Sony company. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Customer service point.
Yes. Now suppose I am the customer care executive, I leave the phone. The Vivek lodged the complaint. So 2 years back, I bought this TV. The TV is not working fine. So please send some technical person. So I said that, sorry, sir, sorry for the inconvenience. I lodged your complaint and this is the ticket number. Within 48 hours of time, our technical person will come to your home and declare the problem. Like that, I give the assurance. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So within 48 hours of time, from Sony company, okay, they will send some technical person. That technical person is going to rectify the TV problem and problem will solve it. Clear all of you? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Because of this service, this customer is happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Because it is under warranty, no need to pay a single paisa, yes, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear all of you?
Yes.
Tell me, when is also planning to buy this TV? Tell me what kind of feedback is given to Vinay?
They given positive feedback.
Positive feedback, good feedback. So this TV very good. Okay, if you have any problem, no, they will provide good service also. So definitely Vinay is going to buy the same TV only. Because of what? Existing customer feedback. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you provide the good service to the customer, definitely customer is going to be happy. Once customer is happy, then automatically new customer come into the business. All of you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the goal of what?
CRM.
RM.
I hope all of you understand this elaborate example.
Yes, sir.
So after marketing and sales, we have to focus on what? Service also. So the combination of marketing and sales and service, we can call it as what?
CRM.
Yes. Next, the fourth cloud name is called what? Force.com. What is Force.com here? Force.com, I already told you, it's a platform which is given by Salesforce to the developers, on which developers can develop application as per the client's requirement. The platform name is called what? Force.com. Next, data.com. Data.com, it is a place where we can get complete information about the clients in the world. In the entire world, whoever clients are there, all the clients information we can get in where? Data.com. So database.com, it contains information about the Salesforce company. That is all about what? Database.com. And next one, Health Cloud. What is Health Cloud here? Health Cloud, it's a place where we can maintain the relation between the doctor and what is this? Figure patient. Clear, all of you. So
Yeah.
using this cloud, patient can take the appointment from the doctor, and also he can come across to know that some information regarding this problem. So everything is available in there here, Health Cloud. Next, Commerce Cloud. What is Commerce Cloud here? Commerce Cloud means it is related to B2B business and also B2C business. B2B means business to business and B2C means business to customer. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So I give an example yesterday. I hope all of you know about KFC. When you go to the KFC, is KFC selling soft drinks or not? He got
Yes, sir.
like Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, and all. Tell me, is Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, these are the soft drinks are manufactured by KFC company?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Coke is manufactured by some other company. But KFC giving the business to what? Coke company, Coca-Cola company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here one business
To another business.
giving the one company giving the business to what? Another company. Yes or no?
Another businesses. Yes.
So that is called what? B2B. B2C means what? Business to consumer. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
So B2B and B2C business is maintained by what? Commerce Cloud. And what is the next one here? Einstein Cloud. Einstein Cloud means the combination of AI plus IoT. What does IoT stands for?
Internet of Things.
Internet of Things. Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things here? Internet of Things means machine to machine communication. This machine to machine communication means, suppose I want to switch on AC in my bedroom. If I want to switch on my AC in my bedroom, generally we need to use AC remote. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But without using AC remote, also using my mobile,
Mobile.
I can start my AC.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So
Yes, sir.
AC is one machine, my mobile is another machine. This machine is going to communicate with what? Another machine. This is possible through what?
IoT.
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 The next one is what? AA. AA stands for artificial intelligence.
Artificial.
Machine can understand what?
Machine language.
Machine can understand human language. Clear, all of you? Best example for this what? Alexa. Hope you know about Alexa. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whichever song you want, she can play. Or you know about Siri. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is downloaded by iPhone.
Yeah, it is used by iPhone, iOS operating system. Yes or no?
Android.
Alexa is Android. Amazon people are using what? Alexa. Read all of you.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So it is comes under what? Artificial intelligence. So like that, these are mini clouds given by what? Salesforce. What is that? Marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, force.com, data.com, database.com, and health cloud, Einstein cloud, like mini clouds given by Salesforce. I hope all of you understand all these clouds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear,
The
sir.
next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce partners. What is that? Salesforce partners. Actually, there are three partners of Salesforce. One is developer dot.
झालं सांगितलं.
Hello. Developer.force.com. The second one is teamforce.com. Next one is what here? appexchange.com. So let me discuss one by one here. Developerforce.com. What is developerforce.com? Developerforce.com is a technical guide for whom? Developers. If developer open this guide, then developer can come across to know that the strength and potentiality of the Salesforce company, and also on force.com platform, developer, what he can develop, how he can develop, and what we can achieve. Everything he can come across once you open what? Developerforce.com. So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. Developerforce.com is a technical guide to the developers. Once developer opens this guide, he can come across to know that the strength and potentiality of the Salesforce company, and also on force.com platform, what we can develop, how we can develop, and what we can achieve. I will show you right now. Look at this. Before developerforce.com, I will show you one important thing here. I hope everybody know about Facebook. Everybody having Facebook account, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
What I'm typing in the URL, facebook.com. Okay. Press enter button. Tell me. Here I need to enter what? My email address.
Email
Password,
address or
login.
phone number and password.
Very good. Now tell me, Facebook point of view, who am I at expected point of time? I'm the end user or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm the end user. I'm using this application. I'm using this
Application.
So this is called a SaaS side. What is this? SaaS. Software as a service or application as a service. So this is the SaaS side of Facebook. I can say this is what? SaaS side of Facebook. Yeah. Open this, another tab. Developer dot. I think you never typed in your life before. Developer dot. What is this? Facebook.com. Have you ever typed this one? Developer.facebook.com.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir. Not it.
Sir, no.
I think this is the community for the Facebook.
It's not community. It's a PaaS site. It's a developer's place where developers can sit and develop the Facebook application. See here. 10 minutes. Look at this, all of you. What is this?
Developer support.
Developer support. This is PaaS side of what? Facebook. This is what?
PaaS side. PaaS side.
PaaS side of Facebook. I think you never opened this site anywhere before. Sir, no?
No, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Like that. Like that. You know about Instagram. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Open Instagram. Here also I need to enter my phone number, username, password. Yes or no? Now tell me.
Yes, sir.
This is SaaS side of Instagram or PaaS side of Instagram?
SaaS side of Instagram.
Because I'm the end user. Developer dot. What is this?
Instagram.com.
Dot. Spelling correct? Or we can use you know about LinkedIn, yes or no?
Yes, LinkedIn.
It's also a social website. Tell me, here also I need to enter my username and password. Yes or no? I need to click on sign in. This is a SaaS side of what?
Yeah.
LinkedIn. Now, developer dot linkedin.com. This is what? SaaS side of? What is the button here?
Create
app.
Tell me, who will create the apps? End users or developers?
Developer.
Developers can create the application, not end users. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the PaaS side of LinkedIn, and this is the SaaS side of LinkedIn. Understand?
Yes.
Like that. Developer dot, what is this? Force.com means it's a developer's environment. This is a PaaS side of Salesforce. Look at this. Salesforce developers. Home. What is this? Documentation. API. Discover. Look at this platform. Just now we discussed about this. What is this?
Commerce Cloud.
Commerce Cloud. Einstein Cloud. Marketing Cloud. Sales Cloud. Service Cloud. MuleSoft. It is related to integration. MuleSoft is a separate company. Recently, Salesforce company take over this company for strengthen what? Integration.
Okay.
Understand all of you? MuleSoft is a separate company actually. It is recently take over the Salesforce company for increasing for strengthen the integration. Stack.
Yeah.
What is the next one here? W is reporting purpose. Apex programming language. LWC, writing web components. Salesforce flows. Developers experience. Heroku, mobile SDK, LWC. So there are so many things we can see here. Einstein. Just now we discussed about it.
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you. So if you click on sign up, we can create the account here. So this is the developerforce.com. Am I clear this point, everyone? Hello?
Yeah.
It's a technical guide for whom here?
Developer.
Next, dreamforce.com. What is Dreamforce? Dreamforce.com means every year Salesforce conducted some event. Event name is called Dreamforce.com. In this event, across the world, company CEOs, company CTOs, company COOs, company CFOs, MVPs. MVP stands for most valuable persons. All these people are coming together, grouped together. They can exchange their ideas in this event. Like that, every year Salesforce conducted this event. The event name is called what here? Dreamforce.com. Even last year, 2021 also, Salesforce conducted this event in September. I will show you. Dreamforce 2021 event. Look at this. Salesforce Dreamforce 2021 conference event dates. It is conducting on September 21st, 2021 to September 23rd, 2021. 2 days they conducted. Like that, every year Salesforce conducted this event. The event name is called what? Dreamforce.
Dreamforce.
You know who is he?
CEO of Salesforce.
CEO.
He's a founder
His
of
name is Mark Benioff.
Mark Benioff.
The Salesforce company owner. Clear all of you?
Yeah.
Good. The last and final one, appexchange.com. Appexchange.com, it is a place where developers can sell the applications, and whereas clients will buy the point here, all of you. AppExchange.com is a place where developers can sell the applications and also clients will buy the applications. So selling and buying is happening in where? AppExchange.com.
Apex.com.
It's a trading place, I can say. What is this?
Trading place.
It's a trading place where we can buy and sell the applications. I can say it is nothing but your app store or Play Store. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
If you open the app store, you can download some applications or not. Some applications are freely we can download, some applications you have to pay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that kind of place can be called as what? App Exchange. So appexchange.com is a place given with Salesforce where developers can sell the applications and also clients will buy the applications as per their requirement. So these are the three partners of Salesforce company: developerforce.com, dreamforce.com, and appexchange.com. I hope you understand till now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So maybe last 1 hour, we just discussed about Salesforce clouds and Salesforce partners. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow's session, what I'm going to discuss is, tomorrow class is very important, guys. Don't miss the class. Warning all of you here, because tomorrow is weekend. Don't miss the session. Clear? Tomorrow class, what I'm going to discuss is versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, and environments of Salesforce. SF means Salesforce. These are the three important points we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's about the today's session, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 8 p.m. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I hope all of you understand the today's class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Recording.
Catch you tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Hello.
please repeat again this.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Good evening, all of you. Is everyone can view my screen now?
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So let us start the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Let us start. And what is today's date?
Today is 23rd, sir.
So in the last session, we were discussed about versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, and environments of Salesforce. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now I'm going to discuss about MVC architecture. Before I'm going to start configuration, let me start with MVC architecture. What does MVC stands for? Model view
Controller.
So it's a three-tier architecture. This MVC means it's three-tier architecture. M stands for model, views, V stands for view. We have C stands for what? Controller. A three-tier architecture. Is first one view, the middle one controller. Someone need to mute, please. Don't make noise. Dharmendra. Dharmendra. Vivek, are you there in the class?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. View, controller, and model. We have three layers here. View layer can be called as presentation layer. A controller can be called as business logic layer. The model is database layer. Like that, we have three layers. Okay, view, controller, and model. Actually, a model view controller is a common phenomena. Almost every technology supports this model, not only Salesforce. If you take Java, it follows MVC. If you take .NET, that is also follows MVC. If you take Python, that is also follows MVC. Like that, almost every technology follows MVC architecture. For your better understanding what is MVC means, with my example, so that you clearly understand what is exact meaning of model view, MVC model, and model view controller. I'm going to compare MVC model with something like a Gmail application. Email application, I'm going to compare with what? MVC architecture. For your understanding, I'm talking here, okay? So Gmail application, I'm comparing with MVC here. So if you open the Gmail application, in Gmail application, we have something like inbox. Tell me guys, what inbox contains? Inbox contains all of our mails.
All mails.
All of our mails are available in their inbox. Suppose one of my friends sent a mail to me. Okay, that mail contains near about it's a Word document actually. It contains maybe 10 pages of documents, 10 pages of document. I open the document and I'm going to the first page here. So I'm reading the first page content. Whatever content I'm reading the first page, whatever content I'm reading the first page at this particular point of time, whatever I'm seeing on my screen, that is my view. That is my view. View means whatever you have seen, that is my view. Okay, after reading the first content, or first page content, I have to go to the second page. If I want to go to the second page, I have to click on scroll down button. If we click on scroll down button, we can move from, or I can move from one page to another page. Like that, if you want to go up, we have to click on scroll up. Or if you want to move to next mail, you have to click on next. If you want to go to previous mail, click on previous button. Like that, scroll down button, scroll up button, next button, preview button. These are on the buttons. I can treated them as my controllers of my page. Understand, all of you? Controllers of my page. So these are the buttons. I treated them as controllers of my page. Whatever content I'm seeing right now, whatever content I have seen right now, okay, that is my view. And whatever content I have in inbox, all of my mails, okay. So this is my, what is this? What is this, guys? Database. Now all of you understand the comparison between the MVC and Gmail application now. Your inbox applications, sorry, your inbox emails, I treated them as what? Your database. And whatever content you have seen right now, that is my view. Okay, you will scroll down, scroll up, next button, previous buttons, these are all controllers of my page. All of you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible? Respond immediately.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
You understand the comparison between MVC and Gmail application now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubts regarding the comparison?
No, sir.
Doubts? Okay.
No, sir.
Now, with respect to Salesforce, I'm talking about MVC model. So here, end user always sits in front of the view. End user always sits in front of the view. And through view, end user is going to feed the data. Whatever data is feeding through view means your user interface. UI stands for user interface. Through view, end user is going to feed the data. Whatever data he fed through view, that data goes into controller. And this controller in turn connect with something like what? Model. So model means your database, backend. So that is how end user is going to feed the data to view. This view connecting with what? Controller, and controller in turn connect with model. After that, end user sometimes is going to fetch the data from the database or fetch the data from the model. Whatever data is fetching from the model, this data coming from model and it goes to controller, and then controller in turn connect with what? View. On this view, end user is going to see the output. So this is how data will flow. This is how data will flow from view to controller and controller to model. In the same way, from model to controller and controller to view. I hope you understand. A bidirectional operator towards left side and towards right side also. Clear, all of you. So with respect to MVC, what we are going to discuss in model and what we are going to discuss or whatever content we have in the controller and what we have in the view, everything we are going to discuss right now. So part is what? Model part. In this model part, again, there are two segments here, two compartments, I can say. The first segment name is called schema or schema part or schema segment here. The second segment name is called instance part here. In the schema part, in the schema segment, okay, we have apps, we have something like subjects, we have tabs, we have something like fields, relationships. We have 6 types of relationships given by Salesforce. That is a self relationship. Second one, lookup relationship. Third one, master detail relationship. Fourth one, many to many relationship. Fifth one, roll-up summary. Last but not least, that is hierarchical relationship. These are the 6 types of relationships given by Salesforce. Then after, we have something like validation rules. And also we have something like page layouts, report types. These are all comes under schema part. All these topics we will discuss in configuration part, guys. All these topics we will discuss in where? Configuration. The configuration is the first module in syllabus. Out of how many modules? 6 modules. Sir, no. Because I told you many number of times in the entire 3 months of session, 3 months of course, we will cover total 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module what we are going to discuss is
Configuration.
All these topics, apps, test objects, tabs, fields, everything we will cover in where? Configuration part.
Configuration part.
Yeah, instance part completely related to data and reports. Okay. So this is also comes under what? Configuration. Okay. So the model part we covered in where? Configuration. The second part, the most important part, that is what? The middle one, the business layer, a business logic layer, I can say. That is controller part. So in the controller part, we people are going to use Apex programming language. Programming language just like C language, Java, C++, object-oriented programming language, which is given by Salesforce. In this Apex programming, in this development part or controller part, we will discuss about something like OOPS concept. Then after, we have something like exception handling. And also we will discuss about assertions, annotations, database concepts, that is SOQL and SOSL. Is anyone know about SQL? Or I heard the name called SQL here? Anyone of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SQL stands for structured query language. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, using this language, we can communicate with the database. We can communicate with the database. So instead of using SQL, we people are using SOQL. What is SOQL? SOQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Fetch Language. So these two are comes under what? Controller. So database concepts. And also we will discuss about the DML commands like insert command. We have something like update command, delete command, set command, delete command. All this comes under DML. After that, we will discuss about something like collections topic. In this collections, we have it. And what next here? Map. Clear all of you? So, and then after we will discuss about controllers. Salesforce given 6 types of controllers, out of which the first one is called standard controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller, extension controller. And after that, we will discuss about interfaces, Visual Apex. Apex. Last and final one is what? Triggers. And these are the topics we will cover in where? Apex programming. It is one of the biggest topic in your syllabus, guys. Only this content, it takes near about 40 to 45 working days. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the area we have to concentrate more if you want to go for development side. Okay. Third one is called view part. In this view part, we are going to use some markup language. Do you know about any markup language like HTML? Or you heard
Yes,
the name?
sir.
Yes, sir.
HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Just like HTML, we people are going to use, what is this? Speak out. Visual Force.
Visual Force.
Visual Force is a markup language just like HTML. It is given by Salesforce. Using this markup language, we can develop UI. UI stands for user interfaces. Clear? So that we will cover in view. Okay. So this also comes under development only. Markup language, Visual Force, and these are the topics. Everything comes under what? Development part. So it is all about MVC, guys. After completion of configuration, after completion of development, then we people are going to enter into administration. Okay. Yesterday I told you the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in the company. Remember all of you?
Yes, sir.
So many topics we cover in where from creating the user account to last topic. What is this? Business intelligence and report dashboards. Clear all of you? Good.
Yes.
Yeah. And then after completion of admin topic, then we will enter into another module called CRM, Customer Relationship Management. And finally, we will discuss about Lightning Aura component. So these are the topics we are going to cover in the entire 6 modules. Hope you understand all these points.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no?
Sir, in view
Yes,
part,
sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
hello,
Yeah.
sir, in view part, we use a markup language as a ISML.
Markup language what?
Markup language as a ISML.
I didn't get you what your accent. Yes.
ISML.
What is the meaning of the ISML?
What is ISML?
Yeah, ISML is used.
What does ISML stands for?
I think it's HTML.
Let him speak. Let him. What does ISML stands for?
Internet something is internet markup language, something like that. I don't know exactly.
I never heard this about this language. This is the first time I'm hearing this name. What does ISML stands for? Let me check in the Google. Template command HTML is the proprietary language called
Internet Store markup language like that. Yeah.
So markup language. No, we are not using XML here. We are using Visual Force only. Okay.
Okay. So what are the topics you will be covering on Aura component, Lightning Aura component?
Lightning Aura component namespaces and all, UI namespaces, Lightning Aura namespaces. Okay, JavaScript topics. Okay, JSON code. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. Everything we will cover in what? In Aura components.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
This course duration is 45 days or 3 months, 90 days?
3 months, 90 days.
Okay, sir.
Because we are going to cover how many modules here?
6 modules.
That is why it's very vast syllabus. Okay.
Sir, integration is not covered, sir.
Yeah, integration is also covered here. After completion of triggers, We will discuss about what.
We will get certification also, na? Salesforce certification.
Salesforce certification you can write on your own by paying the fees. You can book the slot. You can write the exam on your own. It's an online exam which is conducted by Salesforce company. The examination cost is around $2,000. $200. Sorry.
$2,000.
$200. $200.
Okay, done. Sure.
Approximately 15,000 rupees.
1,000, yes.
So, sir, which certifications we can do? Can you just name that?
Yeah. Regarding certifications here. Regarding certifications. In admin side, we have 2 exams. How many?
2 exams, sir.
2 exams. Okay. So, core admin and advanced admin, 2 exams. Then after development, again 2 exams. That is PD1 and PD2. PD1 stands for Platform Developer 1. PD2 stands for Platform Developer 2. So these are the 2 exams you have to write. After completion of PD1 only, you can write PD2. All these examination costs, as per my knowledge, it is $200 US.
Okay. Or sir, is there any course expiring date also? We will get this certification only for the 2 years or 3 years as a just like a CCNA.
Yeah, just like you have to upgrade, you have to maintain the certification. To some extent only it will valid.
Okay. Or sir, I'm an
No,
undergraduate.
actually the point is the people who are staying in other countries like US, Canada, Australia and all, for those people, generally they are writing what these certification exams.
Okay.
Because when they go to the interviews, they will asking certifications. If you have the certification, if you succeed the exam, they will give more preference than other people.
Okay.
But if you
Well,
want to
because
do the job in India, certification is not that much important.
Okay. Sir, just like I am 12th pass, so it will work for me, na?
Why not?
Okay, just because I have seen many pupils in LinkedIn, they have uploaded the Salesforce certification. That's why I'm asking this question.
Yeah, that is out of interest, man. What's your name? It's out of interest.
My name is Rahul, sir.
Rahul, it's out of interest. If you want, you can write the exam. Nobody object to you.
Okay.
Understand? If you have the certification when you go to the interview, along certification, they will give you more importance than other people. That's what I'm saying. Is my point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
My son Subhashish.
Yeah, Shubhashish.
In the section admin section that you have mentioned that 2 exams are there.
Yeah.
Okay, is this separate from development and suppose
that is different. Development is different. Admin exam is different.
And admin exam to take a certification examination for admin, we have to go part 1, part 2 of admin also.
Obviously, core admin and advanced admin. Core admin certification and advanced admin certification.
Okay.
Like the development also 2 exams, PD1, PD2.
Like OCP and these things.
Maybe OCP means Oracle Certified Professional. This kind of things. Yeah. PD1 and PD2.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you discuss, sir, about job salary experience picture in India job? Sir, I have few queries. So can I ask?
Yeah. What I'm requesting all of you is this kind of any doubts are there with you, please message me. Anyway, everybody have my number. Understand?
Okay. So, sir, after this class, can we call to you?
Don't call me generally. I don't do the phones. Please message me.
Okay. Okay. So, like, we can message here only, correct?
You can message through WhatsApp.
Okay, but sir, we don't have your number, sir. So that's
I'll
why,
share the
like,
number. I'll share the number. Don't bother. Okay? At the end of the class.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Actually, sir, like there is a major query. So can I ask? Only one query I have.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Actually, I am very new, in technical way. So previously I was working in for non-technical way. Okay, so one of my friends suggested to me for Salesforce course. Okay, so this is the reason only like I'm attending your classes. So like, is it benefit if I will complete my class, all the classes of Salesforce?
Yeah, why not, man? If we definitely, even if you're coming from different background, non-native background, you do not have any skills on software before, no problem. See, guys, I will tell you one important point. 7 years ago, I was into Salesforce. Understand?
Okay.
I was entering to Salesforce 7 years ago, and I think one of my students, his name is Mr. Sriram. Still, I remember his name. So he's having 45 plus years age. How much?
45 plus.
45 plus years age, and he is working as a sales department in one of the company. Understand?
Okay.
Maybe somehow he fed up with the job because of age factor and all, whatever it is. Okay, there are some reasons behind that. So that is why one of his friends suggesting him to learn what? Salesforce. And one fine morning he met me personally. Sir, my name is Sriram. My age is so and so. I'm working as I'm working in sales department last 20 plus years. Okay. But I want to shift my career into Salesforce side, software side. I don't know even the definition of computer also. Can I understand Salesforce or not? Like that he asked me. Understand? So, and he joined my course Salesforce almost 3.5 months completed. And after completion of this 3 months course, almost he practiced more than 4 months, 5 months approximately. He attended almost 20 plus interviews. How many?
20 plus interviews.
20 plus.
Almost 10-15 interviews he failed. Believe it or not. After 20 plus interviews, he got the job in Salesforce as a developer. Now he is working as a developer in one of the MNC company, very popular MNC company in Hyderabad.
Or sir, we get directly job, or we need to done some internship in Salesforce?
So internship is not required. Actually, with this particular knowledge, you can put minimum 3 years experience.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Subhashish.
Subhashish, tell me.
You had another student name. I am 50 plus.
Oh. Tell me, Subhashish. Age is not factor, Subhashish.
I have already discussed with you. I am working as a system analyst in Birla Institute of Technology.
Great. Yeah, I spoke with you on the first day itself.
Yes. So I'm also very interested for this thing.
Oh, how do you feel about my sessions last 3 days?
Very good, sir.
Awesome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the feedback.
Sir, can you
one more, Subhashish, let me talk with Subhashish.
Yes,
and Subhashish, forget about your age factor and all. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please throw away this point from your mind. Okay? So,
sir, still, if I alive till 90 years, I will go through for software. So, not to worry about that, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, actually, whatever the topics you have covered, from yesterday, so will you repeat those topics again or not? Hello.
You can watch the video on YouTube channel.
The topic once again, you want me to repeat or what? Why? Yesterday absent? Hello? Did you absent yesterday?
No, sir. The participant can visit watch the video, which is already uploaded in YouTube channel, in your YouTube channel.
Oh, great. Then you can listen to the recordings in YouTube.
Okay, so that is the question which I was asking.
Okay, thank you.
This side, Subhashish.
Subhashish, go ahead.
I have only one small doubt. So, see, I am very convenient with Oracle database administration.
Oh, great.
And my area is like Oracle and admin part.
Oh,
because
database administrator, huh?
Every time from morning 9 to 5 o'clock, there is only the work I have is to administration Linux server and admin.
Okay, great.
Okay, so I am whether it is should I concentrate with this admin part or development part?
Concentrate the both admin side and as well as development side. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. And you feel administration is more comfortable. Why? Because you're already working as administrator in database administration. Understand? Okay. The difficult part.
Hello, sir. I have a small question, sir.
Are Baba, let me complete this point.
Okay, sir.
Subhashish.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Maybe the only part where you are facing difficulty is development only. Development also, you don't need to bother. I will make you understand the subject.
No, I have done something with VB Visual Basic also, and from developer also, like developer 2000.
Then okay, you have the knowledge in Visual Basic, then no problem. Even though if you do not have any programming skills, no problem. Because I'm going to start this class from scratch.
Some part of Python also I have done.
Then that is very good. That's what I'm saying. Even though if you have zero knowledge, you can understand. I'll make you understand programming.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Because my class starting from very scratch level. What is variable? What is language? What is program? What is statement? What is instruction? What is syntax? Okay. Even a layman also can understand my sessions. No problem. Don't worry about the programming side. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
First of all, let me start the class, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have any interviews, you can talk with me. Text my issue. Let us start the session.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So before we all dive into Salesforce environment, you should know about 6 important keywords or buzzwords or vocabulary. That is app, what is tab, what is a subject, fields, data, and what record. Okay. So let me start with what is an app here. App means application. So tell me, any one of you, what do you mean? What do you think about application? Because application is a word, app is a word we are using regularly in our daily life. Once you open your mobile, you can see a lot of apps. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Speak out. As per your knowledge, what is the meaning of an app?
It is useful to do something, some work.
Very good, very good. Shubhashish from Bits Pilani. What is the meaning of an app? Vivek? Or anyone of you in the classroom? Please tell me
Sir,
what is
as per my understanding, app is a utility that we are using to simplify our task, but we can't touch it physically, but we can feel it.
Very good. So I will tell you for your better understanding what you said. That is 100% correct, man. No problem. So I will tell you what is the meaning of an application. We have so many apps like Book My Show, and we have something like Byju's.
ATM.
We have some Paytm, and we have Swiggy, Panda, Zomato, okay, Ghana.com. Like that, we have so many apps. Once you open your mobile, we can see a lot of apps. So let me suppose take the example Book My Show application. Using this application, we can book the tickets through online. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So suppose I want to go to a movie. Let us take a small example. Which movie recently released?
Shyam Singh Rai.
Okay, Shyam Singh Rai. Shyam Singh Rai. Okay, I don't know. Okay, Shyam Singh Rai's movie is there. I want to go to this movie. So if I open Book My Show application, if I open Book My Show application, if I open my Book My Show application, I can see all the list of cities. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
And also it will show all the list of theaters.
Theater. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
From your location site.
Okay, yeah. And
Sure, sir.
okay, suppose I want to see the movie in maybe what do you call me, in IMAX theater in Hyderabad. Okay, so I just open IMAX theater. It show all the what do you call list of
Sure,
movies.
List of films.
List of movies. Okay, which is playing in that mall. And after that, list of timings, movie timings. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And also,
Available seats.
we can see seats availability.
Seats available.
Or no?
Yes.
Also, we can book that some food.
Cost.
What kind of food is available? Understand? Because while I'm watching the movie, I want to eat some food, so that I can order the food through online also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any popcorn, ice cream, or something, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? So all these things, information I can see once you open what? Book My Show application. So showing information regarding cities, that is, I can treat it as service number 1. Showing the information regarding theaters, service number 2. Showing the information about movies, service number 3. Showing the information regarding what? What timing, service number 4. Seats availability, service number 5.
5.
Yeah. Regarding food availability, that is what?
Service
number 6. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means that collection of these services are included in where? My Show application. According to this example, what I understand is application means group of, or what is this? Collection of services is known as what?
Application.
Known as application. Is all of you understand the meaning of application now?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, sir.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. So, but with respect to Salesforce, we can call it as collection of apps. What is this? Collection of apps which provides some, what is this? Functionality. This is the definition with respect to Salesforce. This is the definition. This is a generic definition about what? Application.
Application.
The generic definition for application. What is generic definition here? Group of or collection of services is known as what? Application. So with respect to the Salesforce, collection of tabs which provide some functionality. That is with respect to Salesforce. And in Salesforce, I will tell you what is the meaning of a tab a bit later. Okay, please wait all of you. In Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications. The first type of application can be called as standard app. Second one can be called as custom apps. Standard apps means which is given by Salesforce. Custom app means which is created or developed by whom? Developer as per the client's requirement. Like that, in Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications: standard applications and custom applications. Standard applications given by Salesforce and custom applications created by developer as per the client's requirement. I hope all of you understand this.
Yes, sir.
Let me give some examples about standard applications in Salesforce. Like we have something like sales application, also marketing application, we have service application, we have something like content application. So these are all the examples of what? Standard apps. Custom apps means it is created by developer as per the client requirement. Suppose take the example, Durga Software Limited.
Training.
Durga Software Limited. Okay. Or maybe something like, okay, ABC company. You can give any name. Clear all of you? Because which is created by whom here? Developer as per the business requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that in Salesforce, how many types of apps we have? Two, standard apps and custom apps. And coming to the second one, tab. What is the meaning of tab here? Well, in the keyboard I'm talking, do we have tab button?
Yes, sir.
If you press tab button, what is happening? See,
Our
control is
cursor will move into the next cell.
no, the control is moving from left to right 5 spaces. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the control. Moving or not? It is moving from one place to what? Some other place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Open this. So this is my Gmail application running, and this is my WhatsApp application running here, and this is Zoom application running here, and this is some Google application. So how many applications I opened at a time? 4 different applications.
4 applications.
Yeah. The moment I drag the mouse pointer to the plus symbol, I got the tooltip. What is the tooltip here? New tab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I click on plus button, it takes me to some other page or not. Right now I'm in which page?
You are in Google search.
Google page. Google search page. If I click on plus, it takes me to where? Google home page. Google home page. That's or no?
Yes, sir.
So before I was in which application? Google search application. Before I was in which application?
Zoom.
Before I was into WhatsApp. Before I was into
Gmail.
Sorry, Gmail. Like that, if you click on tab, it takes me to some other page or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So tab means it connects to what is this? That is a simple meaning of tab. Okay, all of you. But with respect to Salesforce, using tab, we can what? Access something like what? A subject. What is a subject? We will discuss later. Okay? Fine. Now listen carefully and try to understand. In Salesforce, we have 2 types of what? One is
Standard tab.
Standard tab. Second one is custom tab.
Tab. What is standard tab?
Standard tab.
You can easily tell. Given by
Salesforce.
Custom tabs means
which is given by client.
As per client.
Created by, which is created by developer.
Developer.
As per
the client requirement.
Client's requirement. Okay. Now let me give some examples also. What? Standard tabs. Like what?
Sales.
Campaigns.
Lead opportunity.
Accounts.
Contacts.
Opportunities. These are all examples of what? Standard tabs. Custom tabs. You can give any name, like students, like employees. Okay. We have some doctors, patients. Okay. Like courses. They're all examples of what? Custom.
Custom tab.
So next one, third one. Third one is the most important one. What is this? A subject. Before I'm going to start a subject, please let me concentrate all of you what I'm speaking here. Without using this word, a subject, as long as you are in Salesforce, as long as you are working with Salesforce in real time, without using this word, a subject, not complete your day. Understand, all of you?
Okay, sir.
That much important it is.
Okay.
What is a subject, first of all? S object stands for Salesforce object. Yes. What S object stands for? Salesforce object. What is Salesforce object? Before that, I hope some people know about database here. Sir, no. According to database point of view, is anyone hear this name? Table.
Table, yeah.
What is table? Database point of view, what is table means?
Containing data object.
I think Shubhashish.
Collection of row and columns, or you can say a collection of similar type of objects, similar type of information.
Who is speaking here? First of all, tell me.
Shubhashish.
Shubhashish, you are working as a database administrator.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is table means.
A collection of similar type of information.
Collection of similar type of information. Okay. And the other way around?
Collection of rows and columns.
Very good.
Collection of the same type of data.
Very good. Actually, what Shubhashish told, excuse me guys, what Shubhashish told, that is 100% correct. What he said, table contains collection of
rows and columns.
Collection of related information or similar information. Sir, no? Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
Table can be defined as what? Collection of information. Is this? Collection of information stored permanently
As a database object.
in the form of rows and speak out.
Form of rows and columns.
That is the meaning of what? Table. Understand? So database point of view, we can call it as table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as S object. So S object, database table, both are same.
Same.
S object, database table, both are same. That is why, Shubhashish, it is very easy for you to understand the subject. Okay?
Thank you.
Because you already have database knowledge. Don't worry about this. So S object, database table, both are almost same, guys. So what is S object stands for?
Salesforce object.
Salesforce object. Okay. So in Salesforce, subjects are divided into two types. One is standard S objects. Second one is what?
Custom objects.
Custom S. What is standard S objects?
Given by Salesforce.
Salesforce. And what is custom S objects?
Given by developer.
Created by developer. Yes or no?
Specific.
As per the client requirement.
As per client requirements.
Let me give some examples. Same names I'm copied here. Okay. Tell me, everybody please focus what I'm doing here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what I'm doing here.
You are going to create a table-like thing.
No.
Headings, columns.
No, Shubhashish. What I did just now? What I did?
Singular thing.
You just remove
very good.
singular.
I just remove yes here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. It means that almost tab name, S object names, both are same. Understand? The only difference between, as far as naming pointer is concerned, I'm talking. As far as name pointer is concerned, the only difference between tab and S object is tab names are always plural. S object names are always singular. So I can say the other way around. Plural name of an S object is nothing but a tab name. Is all of you accepted my statement? Excuse me. What is this? Plural name of an S object is nothing but what? What is this?
Table name.
Tab name, not table name. Tab name. Table is different, tab is different.
Okay, sir.
Table means S object here. Understand? Is all of you understand this note? Is this note is right or wrong?
100%.
100%. Yes or no? So plural name of an S object is nothing but tab name. Lead is a subject name. Leads is a tab name. Account is a subject name. Accounts is a tab name. Contact is a subject name. Contacts is a tab name. Am I clear at this point?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Sir, sometimes not sharing the your notes, sir, but also what is the problem, sir?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What are you asking?
Sometimes not connected the share notes, sir.
What is your name, ma?
What is the problem, sir?
What is your name?
Ramakrishna, sir. Ramakrishna, sir.
రామకృష్ణ మీ డౌట్ ఏంటి తెలుగులో అడగండి. తెలుగు వస్తుందా?
అంటే సార్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతలే సార్. నెట్ ప్రాబ్లమా లేకపోతే అందరికి అదే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతున్నా సార్.
ఏం కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు మీకు?
మీ షేరింగ్ నోట్స్ సార్.
నేను ఇప్పటివరకు నోట్స్ ఎవరికి షేర్ చేయలేదమ్మా ఈ 3 రోజులు బట్టి.
నోట్స్ కదా సార్, ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ సార్, స్క్రీన్
కనపట్లేదా
సార్?
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదా నీకు?
సార్
అరే 1 minute ప్లీజ్.
ఇప్పుడు అవుతుంది సార్. కొన్ని
your screen is visible. I think he needs to rejoin this meeting.
Yeah, 1 minute. మీ పేరెంట్ రామకృష్ణనా ఏమన్నారు? మీ పేరెంట్ అన్నారు రామకృష్ణనా? The people,
Ramakrishna, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
1 minute. The people who do not understand Telugu here, listen carefully. Some people convenience, sometimes I'm speaking Telugu also for their understanding purpose. And immediately I will translate. Don't bother about that.
No.
Clear everyone?
That is
actually
not a problem,
here there is a student, his name is Ramakrishna. He's having some screen issue problem. Okay, a screen sharing problem here. So I'm talking with him regarding this matter. Okay.
So this is an advantage. We are also learning some other languages also.
Obviously.
Obviously,
we are learning 2 things here.
Side by side speaker view. Change the view option. You can always talk in this language.
Mr. Ramakrishna, మీరు లాగౌట్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే Ramakrishna.
He left.
Oh, he left? No problem. Then okay. Fine. Madhu, are you there in the class?
Yes.
Yeah. And Madhu's husband?
Present, sir.
What is your name? I forgot your name.
Dheeraj.
Dheeraj. Good. So fine. So I hope you understand Dheeraj. This point,
yes,
plural name of an subject is nothing but a tab.
Yeah.
Is Janvi attended today?
Yes, sir.
Good. Why are you so silent, Janvi, today? What happened? Sunday special or what?
Sorry. No, sir. Actually, yesterday we traveled. I traveled back to my place from Houston. So I was a little sleepy. I'm so sorry.
No problem. No. I thought you were absent today.
No, sir. No, I'm not. So I have a question. How to get the recordings?
Yeah, regarding recordings, please ask to the management. Durga, sorry, Muskan, are you there in the class?
Okay.
I think nobody's joined.
Yes, sir. Please ask management people to share it as soon as the class is completed, because sometimes we will be working.
Yeah, yesterday I already told you regarding this January. Not only you and rest of all the people also. Once you complete your formalities, then only you will share the recordings. Okay. That is the institute rule.
Sir, I have done with the formality as well, but they are not sure yet anything.
No. After completion, everybody in the classroom.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, even I have done the formalities, but they keep saying this is demo class for me.
No, it's not like that. I'll talk with them. Okay, no issues. I'll make
Okay,
sure
sir,
that I will ensure that you will receive the recording in a couple of days. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine, guys. Customer subjects created with developer. Fine. Okay, now All S object names are what? Singular names. So I hope you understand.
Yeah, sir, Ashok from this side. Sir, what question is?
Just 1 minute, please.
Hello. Yes, sir, can we say that tabs is a collection, means tab is a collection of yes objects, just like that? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, I think sir is on call.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So customer subjects. I hope all of you understand what is standard subject in customer subject. Next to fields.
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but I just asked a question like that. Tab is a collection of yes object. Like
Sorry, come again.
Sir, can we say that the tab is a collection of yes objects?
No, that is wrong statement. No, should not use like this. Tab is not collection of S objects. That is wrong.
Okay.
Only name point of the plural name, only name. It doesn't mean that collection of S objects is nothing but tab name. That is wrong. Clear? Don't use that statement.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the fourth important thing here? Fields. So before I'm going to talking about fields, first let me discuss about data. Shubhashish, you are the right person to tell this answer.
Smallest part of the information.
Smallest part of information. Oh, good. Information data both are same.
No.
No, sir. Information means
data have been when the data has been processed with a meaningful thing, it is an information.
Very good. Excellent answer. Good. It means that information means what? Processed data. Can I say like this?
No, it should be meaningful.
Yeah, information always meaningful, but data does not give any meaning. Okay.
Oh, yes.
So,
data doesn't itself is not a meaningful.
Yeah. I will tell you here. Listen carefully. Data means, I'm talking about layman point of view, guys. Data means whatever we entered into the computer. Whatever we entered into the system. Is called what? Data. Data can also be called as what?
Raw information.
Raw facts.
Raw facts, yes.
Because data does not use any
meaningful information.
That does not give any meaning. That is why data can be called as what here? Raw facts. Suppose take the example. Generally, what we are entering into the system, we are entering numbers, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are also entering what? Alphabets.
Special characters.
And also we are entering some special characters. How many numbers are there in the keyboard?
9.
10. 0 to 9. Yes or no? Total 10 characters. How many alphabets?
26.
26.
Small a to small z and capital A to capital Z also.
52.
Yeah, 52. Ampersand, star. It all comes under what? Special
I
character.
think 10.
How many special characters?
I think 10.
Only 10. Only
Yes.
10.
More than 10, sir.
How many?
All the function keys are the special character as well.
Total how many? 194. This 194 characters plus 53 plus 10. Total how many?
7 or 6. 150. 256.
156 characters. These 256 characters can be called as data. Understand? Whatever we entered into the system, we are entering numbers, we are entering alphabets, we are entering what? Special character. So altogether, we are entering how many characters on the keyboard? Approximately 256. Clear?
256.
So these 256 characters can be called as data. Why data can be called as raw facts? Because data does not use any meaning.
Meaning.
See here. I'm going to write some number on the screen. 10155. Tell me what is this? 10155 represents?
I think it's a number.
It's a numeric value. It's a number. Yes or no? Can I say that 10155 represents student roll number from college point of view?
Yeah, it may be.
Why not?
Maybe. It could be. Yes or no? It may be. Good. So can I say that 10155 represents employee ID from company point of view?
Yes, sir.
Maybe.
Could be. Or can I say that 10155 represents maybe customer bank account number?
Yes, sir.
Might be. Yes or no? But nobody knows what exactly 10155 represents. It might be what? What is this? Student roll number, or employee ID, or customer bank account number, or any maybe flight seat number. Yes or no? Seat number in the flight. Clear? It could be anything, but nobody knows what exactly 10155 represents. But 10155 represents is the combination of these 10 characters. Yes or no? 10 numbers.
Yes, sir.
These 10 numbers can be called as what?
Data.
So can I say that 10155 represents data?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But from this data, did you get any proper meaning?
No, sir.
Because we are not in the position to tell what it represents. That is why data can be called as what?
Raw facts.
Raw facts. So according to this example, according to my explanation, what you understand is data never and ever gives any
meaning.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm giving some name here. Vivek. What does Vivek represents?
It's an alphabetic sequence.
It's a human name. Yes
No
or no?
meaning. Yes.
It's a human name. Can I say the student name in the college?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Could be. Employee name in the company?
Yeah.
Yes. Customer name in the bank?
Maybe.
Passenger name in the flight?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Cricketer name in the cricket squad?
Yes,
Could
sir.
be anything. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
But nobody knows what exactly Vivek represents. So Vivek represents is the combination of different characters. All these characters are coming from these 52 characters. These 52 characters can be called as data, but from this data, it do not get any proper meaning. That is the reason data can be called as
raw facts.
Raw facts. Okay, 90,000 is there. What is this?
Maybe salary.
How you can see it is salary? It's numeric value again. Sir, no.
Yes,
It might be salary,
Might be
or it may
salary.
be maybe student paid the fees for the course. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Or maybe customer bank balance in the bank. It could be anything, but nobody knows what exactly it represents. Again, it is a number. So 10155 represents data. Vivek is also represents data. 90,000 is also represents data. But from this data, you do not get any proper meaning. That is the reason data can be called as raw facts. According to this example, or according to this explanation, what you understand is data never gives what? Any meaning for us. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
On the top, I'm writing something here. Now everybody please. Now everybody in the classroom specifically tell that 10155 represents what?
Employee ID.
Employee ID.
Of course. Earlier, we don't know what is this. Now you can say 10155 represents what? Employee ID.
Employee ID.
Okay. What does Vivek represents?
It's employee name.
What does 90,000 represents?
Salary.
That employee salary.
Now everybody in the position to tell what is 10155 represents, what is Vivek represents, what is 90,000 represents. So now I'm getting the meaning for this data. I'm getting the meaning for this data because of what? Because of the above names. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In case if I do not write the above names, we do not get the proper meaning for this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because of the above names, we are getting the meaning for this data. Means, of course, above one is also a data. EAD is also a data. E-name is also data. Salary is also data. Collection of characters only. Yes or no? You got, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is also data. And the below one is also what?
Data.
It's also data.
90,000 Vivek, 10155 is also data. EAD, E-name, salary is also data. Everything is data only.
Yes,
But
sir.
about data represents what? Your data. Or the other way around, data describes or tells about another data that can be called as
field
metadata.
Information.
No.
Okay, metadata.
What is this?
Metadata.
Metadata. What is metadata means? Metadata means data about data.
Tells about another data.
Yes. That is called what? Metadata. Now it is clear, all of you.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah.
If we combine all these 10155, Vivek 90,000, if we combine all these three values side by side, now you are getting what? Now you are getting details of an employee in the company. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes,
Are
sir.
the details of the employee in the company or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
These details technically called as what?
Information.
Information. So information always gives what?
Some meaningful.
Meaning.
Data.
But whereas data does not give
Any meaning.
So this is the fundamental difference between what? Data and as well as information. According to my points, what you understand is data never gives meaning, but whereas information always gives
Meaning.
Meaning.
This is the difference between data and information. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me a simple question I'm asking. As a trainer of Salesforce, every day I'm giving data to you or information to you?
Information.
Information regarding?
Information regarding.
Regarding Salesforce subject, yes or no?
Yes.
Because I'm giving information. That is why you can understand what I'm speaking. Because we have what?
Meaningful information or meanings.
Meaning. Yes or no? So information always gives meaning. That is why you understand what I said. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose if I'm giving data, you can't understand because data does not give any meaning.
Meaning.
Clear, all of you?
Master.
Yes,
So
sir.
It's clear, sir.
information always gives meaning here. But how we can get the meaning? So how we can get the data? Sorry, how we can get the information? We can get the information after processing the data. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose 2 into 3 is a combination of two numbers and one special characters. Can I say it is data?
Yes, sir.
No.
Data.
It's data only. 2 and 3
Data,
numbers,
sorry.
10 numbers, star, special character. Everything
Yeah,
is what?
data.
Data.
Everything is data.
Yeah, you will get how much? 6.
Six. This is
This
the
6 represents what?
Information.
Information. So what is information? Processed data. A data process this data. You will get some result. This result can be called as
Information.
so information always gives what?
Meaning.
Now everyone understand what is information, what is data and all?
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Thank you. Now coming to this point, what is this?
Fields.
Field. This EAD, e-name, salary, these names can be called as what? What is this?
Columns.
Fields. Fields, the other name can be called as column. What is this?
Column.
Column. Or we can also call it as
Row. Okay.
attribute.
Attributes.
Here all of you, field, column, attribute, everything is same. Clear? So this is fields. And how we can define the field here? We can define the field in this way. Tell me 10155, this is data value or not?
Yes, sir.
Vivek is a value. This value stores in this field. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So field we can define like this. Value or data stores against the what?
Field.
So what is this field? Value stores against the field. Or the other way around. What is this? Represents what? Field represents
data.
Field represents what? Data.
Sir, ignis means?
Sorry?
Ignis means?
Didn't get you. What is that?
Okay. Ignize. You are type in this line. Ignize, I think.
Where is ignize?
Yes. What is the meaning of the ignize?
Where is written?
Okay. Can you control Z? Can you please control Z, sir? Yeah. AGINST.
So spelling wrong, man. AGAINST. Ignist.
Okay. Ignized mean?
Against. Opposite.
Opposite. Okay.
Against.
Okay, sir. Against. Okay. Against.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, this is not the correct definition. Field means what? Represents?
Represent the data.
Field represents what? Data. Clear?
Okay.
What is data? What is data?
No meaningful.
Value stores against the field. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Value stores against the field can be called as data. And what is the last and final one here? Record. What is record? 10155, Vivek 90,000. All these three values
A record.
can be called as what?
Record.
Records.
Record means
complete information.
Rows.
No,
Data?
horizontal.
Yes.
Okay. Horizontal data.
Collection of data.
Horizontal collection of data.
Can be called as what?
Records.
The other name of record is what? Row. The other name of row can be called as tuple. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So total, how many important words we discussed till now?
Six.
Six words, sir.
I hope all of you understand all the 6 words.
Yes, sir. Surely.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next topic. What is this?
How to create an account in Salesforce.
Yeah, look at this. If you want to create an account in Salesforce, developer.force.com. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Top right side corner, we can see sign up. Here we have to enter all of your credentials. Your first name, last name. I'm giving Durga. What is this? Oh. What is this?
Training Institute.
Okay. let me give my personal email ID. What is my personal email ID here? vijayprakash2019@gmail.com. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your role, you can give any role, either developer or architect or CTO, administrator, IT manager, could be anything, no problem.
So you have the email ID with this Vijay Prakash is with the C?
Yeah, CH. It's Cash.
Okay.
Actually, my name is, yeah, really speak, my name is not Sainath.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday you challenged one question like why the developer edition is free.
Hidden secret.
I forgot. Yeah. Did you find the answer?
No, sir, not yet, sir.
Nobody.
Actually,
No, sir.
I asked it to my friend, but I don't get the answer, sir.
Dheeraj?
So is it for testing, sir?
No. And somebody, somebody asking your friend, who's that guy? What is your name?
Sir, myself, Gopi, sir.
Gopi. Is your friend working in the Salesforce?
Yes, sir. He's working in Salesforce, sir.
As a developer?
Yes, sir. As a developer.
Which company?
Durga, sir. Hyderabad. Durga.
Durga.
Yes, sir.
Since how many years?
Since it's nearly around 3 years, sir.
Okay, since 3 years is working as a developer in Salesforce, you don't know why Salesforce given developer edition as free edition? Huh?
You don't know, sir. Actually, I asked it to him, but he replied that I don't know.
And what he said?
I don't know, sir. I don't know the answer, he said.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you. So I will tell you the reason behind this. Let me create the first account, okay?
Okay.
Company name. What is the company name?
Durga Soft.
TS icon, short name TS, okay? Country, India.
Yeah.
Right, not Israel.
In this email ID, we will get anything that to verify.
Yes, I think activation
Yeah,
link.
I will receive some email, confirmation email from Salesforce company.
Okay.
That is why we have to give this email ID. So this email ID should be valid, guys. Don't give any invalid email IDs, okay?
Okay.
But the company names, it might exist, it may not exist, no problem. Even if it is a dummy company, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
And your postal code, you can give any zip code like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And username. See, guys, username, look at this. name@yourcompany.com. In this format only we have to keep. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is
But
anyone
in
working
starting,
here?
we can create anything.
No. First of all, tell me, is anyone working in real time?
Yes, I'm working.
Which company?
In teleperformance.
Teleperformance. What is your company email ID?
Rahul.singh@teleperformance.com. Teleperformancedibs.com.
Okay. Actually, I'm not the employee of your company.
Yes, sir.
Shall I get the same domain?
No, sir.
Only the people who are working in your company, only those people get same domain. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm working in TCS. The moment I join the company, my system administrator is going to provide the company email ID.
Yes,
like
sir.
prakash@ibm.com or tcs.com. Can you get the same domain? No.
No, sir.
So whoever employees are working in that particular company, only those people gets the domain. Clear?
Company ready. Yes, sir.
Your name @companyname.com. That is a format. Okay.
Okay.
So let me give some name. So in Durga Soft, batch 10. Even, okay. What is it?
Bash10@durgasoft.com.
ds.com. So as per my perception, ds.com represents what? My company name.
Durgasoft. Yes.
And clear?
Sir, we can give anything, no? That is.
No problem. You can give anything. No issues.
Yeah.
Nobody will cross-check. Okay.
Yeah.
And finally, click on what? Sign me up. Very simple to create the account, guys. The way how you create the account in Gmail, in the same way, we can easily create the account in Salesforce. Okay. It's a matter of just 2 minutes work. So I got the confirmation mail from Salesforce company. Please check your email to confirm your account. Okay. Almost there. So let me go to Let me check the inbox. Let me refresh. Takes a couple of minutes time, guys, to get the email. In the meanwhile, let me take some water. Please stay back, all of you. 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I got the mail from Salesforce company here, guys. Welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. Click on this. Go down. So this is a username what we created just now, batchton@ds.com. Click on verify account here. Okay, here we have to set your password for batchton@ds.com. Make sure that include at least 8 characters, out of which 1 number and 1 letter. Okay. BCD 1, 2, 3, 4. And ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are matched. In which city you're born? Born in Kovar. Change password. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my company is also using as a Salesforce as a CRM. So our all SOP are integrated with this Salesforce software.
Oh, great. Which company? What is the company name?
Uber.
Uber, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I hope all of you understand how to create a Salesforce account, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss all these options later. This is a Salesforce environment. Coming back to the yesterday's point. What was yesterday's question?
Sir,
Okay, we will continue tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow regarding this, how to create app, tab, object, and all. Yeah. So coming back to is all of you understand how to create an account in Salesforce now?
Yes, sir.
They are difficult. These are difficult. Mr. Dharmendra, please mute. Thank you. Yeah, guys, not tell me. Nobody's finding the answer or what? Sorry.
No, sir.
Fine. Let us take a small example. You know all about KFC, okay?
Yes,
sir.
But don't think like this, guys. This guy is always take the example of KFC as example. Okay. So it is more suitable for all the
KFC or Pepsi is also, sir, for the hidden secret.
I don't know about Pepsi. Generally, I'm taking KFC. Okay, fine. Because I like KFC food. That is also another reason. Okay. Take the example. Fine. So KFC needs some. I'm going to tell a small story here. Okay. Listen to the story carefully. Okay. KFC is the company. They need some sales application. Understand? For maintaining their sales information and all. So they need some sales application. That is why they given this project to a company called TCS. TCS is a development company, isn't it? Guys, come along with me.
Yes, sir.
TCS development company. This example, TCS need to develop sales application as per the requirement of what? Client. Okay. So TCS took some time, near about 1 year time. They developed sales application. They developed sales application on force.com platform, and they deploy the application to the client, and KFC using this application in their business. Of course, they ran the matter. All of you understand? Excuse me. Don't make noise.
Yes, sir.
Vikas Thakur, Subhashish Roy. Subhashish, please mute. Dheeras, you can mute me. Okay, you can unmute, you can talk with me, Dheeras. Okay, rest of the people, everybody, please mute. Okay. Dheeras can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear. Yes.
Yeah. So look at this. In this example, who is TCS? Dheeras.
Development
According to TCS point of view, who is KFC?
is a client.
Okay, TCS need to develop sales application as per the client requirement. TCS took near about 1 year time. They developed sales application as per the KFC requirement. They deploy the application, and KFC using the sales application in their business. Of course, there ends the story. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, whatever application TCS developed for KFC is the sales application. Can TCS place in appexchange.com or not?
Yes. They'll place it in apexexchange.com.
Once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully and try to understand. Whatever application developed by Salesforce, whatever application developed by TCS, as per the client requirement KFC, is TCS can place a sales application in appexchange.com or not? What is AppExchange? It is a place.
It's a place to
application. Sorry, developers can sell the what? Application, and clients will buy the applications. Yes or no?
Sell and buy.
Selling and buying is happening in where? Selling and buying happening at appexchange.com. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good, good. Now tell me the question. Tell me the answer. Is
No, then
TCS
in that case,
place the
TCS
sales
cannot.
application appexchange.com or not?
No,
Yes
they
or
cannot. Because that's no, they
No,
cannot.
no,
They
sir.
just
No,
built it
sir.
for KFC only.
No.
Actually, they give project to the
TCS,
TCS.
okay, don't extend. Not possible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because TCS developed the sales application as per the KFC requirement. Means this particular sales application is completely confined to this
KFC business.
1 minute, please. Hello. Hello. Who's this? Yeah. Tell me. పవర్ బి నేను చెప్తానండి, నేను సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ నేర్పుతాను. లేదండి, నేను పవర్ బి నేర్పుతాను, నాకు రాదండి. నాకు ఎవరు పవర్ బి లేదని తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు, కానీ ఉంటే చెప్తాను మీకు, సరేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫైన్. అదే. So TCS is not supposed to place the sales application in appexchange.com. Why? Because TCS developed the sales application. It is purely meant for whom? KFC
As per the KFC business.
As per the KFC business requirement. Clear, all of you? So sales application, whatever they developed, this particular sales application is completely confined to KFC company. Yes or no? That is why TCS not supposed to place sales application appexchange.com. In case if TCS places sales application appexchange.com, the competitors of KFC, who are the competitors of KFC in the market? Like McDonald's, or no?
Yes, sir.
Or Papa John's. Okay.
Okay.
Or we have something like Domino's Pizza. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the competitors of KFC, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then automatically if these people are can open this appexchange.com and they can see the application
and they will buy
developed as per the KFC requirement, they can come across to know that the sales strategy of client requirement, KFC company or not. Yes or no? Speak
Yes,
out.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is why TCS is not supposed to place the sales application
In
in appexchange.com, and client is not supposed to accept. Clear, all of you? Client never accept. So this kind of applications can be called as, this kind of products can be called as private products. What is this?
Private products.
Private products. According to my example, according to my explanation, what you understand is,
that's why companies to
private,
buy.
No need to talk with me. Just listen. Private products is not supposed to place in where? Speak out.
Appexchange.com.
That is okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us assume I'm a freelancer. I already told you yesterday. I'm a freelancer here. I know Salesforce.